There's a plane waiting for us to take us to Miami in an hour, all right? Don't make a big thing about it. I know it was you, Fredo. You broke my heart. You broke my heart.
Yo, it's good. It's your boy Trumpito in the building, a.k.a. MC Trump, a.k.a. Young Murcielago at Mar-a-Lago. You feel me? I got bars on decky because I heard this little snitch nigga, James Comey, going up there and singing like a canary. So, yo, son, throw a beat on for me right now. I'm about to flame you. Yo, check it.
Get into these niggas, Young Trump.
Yo, check it. Yo, this worm thinks he's amazing, but he's a wing. I saw him at the crib. Yo,
MAGA.
Chill. Yo, check it. Yo, drop the beat. I'm going acapella. Yo, matter of fact, fuck that. Fuck rapping.
Go in, son.
Yo, this guy came through one day and was like, yo, I got a Dutch. I was like, what's good? You lighting it? He's like, yo, nah, I just got a Dutch.
What?
You got a dub. I seen it on your desk. I was like, yo, you're a worm.
Talk to them, daddy.
Disgusting. This guy's, how could you believe anything he says? He's a lying clown. He's been owing me $20 for like 2 months. We took him to Salsa con Fuego, bought this nigga like 2 Long Islands. He never paid motherfuckers back.
Disrespectful.
It's disgusting. And listen, let me tell you something. Ivanka, yo, ass is looking right, ma.
Assad's a baby.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, listen, I'm doing the intro to the Bodega Boys one time because the fucking radio is whack and I'm not going up to no Hot 97 to do my shit. I come up to the real shit. You feel me?
Yeah.
Now that I composed myself, I want to intro an amazing podcast. It's one of the best in the world, really. It's amazing. Even though these guys go in on me all day, they roast me, they fry me, but yo, they're mad funny. I fuck with them. Actually, I'm going to keep it funky. They should win several Emmys. Yo, it's your boy, Trumpito. Jesus Nice in the building. The Kid Mara in the building. Victor's over here looking at facts. Do the motherfucking drop. Holla. Ivanka, come here, put your titty in my mouth. It's amazing. It's sad, really, how you put your tits.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
That's his daughter.
Oh, it is his daughter. Yeah,
Melania
but he
is
wants to smash his daughter too.
Yeah,
Who
that's
cares?
true. She probably has like a pretty
Come
titty.
on, let's keep it
She got
real.
a pink nipple. She got a pink nipple. She got that.
He knows. He got flicks.
You got flicks on Yo, it's episode 67.
7.
Almost close to the Gronkowski episode.
Yeah.
Nice. If you know Rob Gronkowski, get him in touch.
Yo,
we need him for episode 67.
for real.
All I gotta do is send over a wave file of him saying nice. That's all
We're
we need.
not joking.
Yo, it's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Jesus Vice, aka Young Chipotle, Pocket Say Fat Material, Chris That Pro Sling, Eli Lipby, Butchers Gully, Sober Done Might Know Your Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Takes, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nano Durant, No Man Over the Done
my gosh.
going off the Juve Boss, MC Little Gunga P. Put up for 40 with your shorty, aka Don't Talk to Me in the Uber pool.
I don't know you, dog.
The original +1 guy +1, so don't make a fuss on Jesus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew.
He's a good guy. He's got a nice Hamantash or something.
Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa. The Ghost of Mufasa. Young Charcuterie out the coonery, aka Chili Limon. I've had a reliever for the Yankees, can't okay. Remember the time we were shooting up the drugs and I tried to wash it out with the bleach in the water and I didn't, and we got the,
It didn't work. It's good.
You ended up in the, you got on the AIDS is whack mirror.
Papi, prenda la hookah. It's good.
Vice K, Makusaka, Three Fojos, Jesus Ex Machina, Jay Chuckles, Stanley Cup, the human Dr. Bonner's able Daidu, Leonardo De Trapio, Mr. 240 because I like my Pinot Blurry.
Yeah, nasty.
Yeah, that's right. Shout out to Obsession. DJ Woolite, aka you're listening to Washed FM. That's right, Washed FM. Next up, we have 40 hours of Shaheem the Rugged Child, the Curry Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn. The Bronx Lee Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain the human meme, word of Ja, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Bunquist, Nelson Mandela, Sergio, you can't see me, Vladimir Buffin, the human weather is melting in your mouth, the black Asiatic who crack your back like an automatic craftmatic misdemeanor, La Marina, Mesh Marina, with fresh misdemeanor, Code Marina, aka your problematic baby.
For a second there, you looking like Kyrie going to the Rock, me looking crazy, and then you just sank it.
I sank it. I went through it. I'm Sully on the Hudson.
You know what I'm saying? We see the plane land on the fucking Hudson today.
Listen,
FYI. We out here doing it.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
We should talk
True
about
story.
that later. Yes.
It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Do-Rag, Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, a.k.a. Skip bootloader. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I know fucking baby. I fucking man. Look at my dang. AKA, check the fucking guest list again, nigga. And no, I'm not fucking stepping to the side. My name is definitely on there. It might be my government. I know it's a very generic Dominican name, but check again, nigga.
What's it?
AKA, Ben Smack Me Yumbo. AKA, Phil Dasty. Phil Tyson. You know what I'm saying? The Dominican Dandana. AKA, Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. They will definitely remove your clavicle and replace it with a wishbone suspension, increasing the fuel efficiency of your prostate.
love you, man.
Keep your panties on, ma. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, nigga, so I don't care. You know what I'm saying? Watch your benzos, nigga, because it's your boy. That's it, man. It's gonna be AKA Friday L. Messi, Bicycle Kick Your L, nigga. Rico Sabroso, Tom Bracey, your girl got my balls type deflated. We're under investigation. It's Baby Newport, blam de la blam, you know what I'm saying? AKA Light and L. Dutchy. Hello? Is it weed you're looking for? Swipe my card again, nigga. There's definitely money on it. Put the fucking bag on your shit. Your reader's fucked up. AKA Need Your Brother, East Street by Stevie B. The plantain supernova in the sky. If you see me talking, nigga, respect my agency. Approach me like a fucking erratic or some mammal, nigga, that you see in the daytime going through your garbage. At the garden, dropping 62 grams. It's your boy, Barmelos Anthony. Y pato, mi gente en el patio. Llegó el hijo de Tito y FIFA, más duro que un mojón de transforme. Más frío que un pingüino desnudo, loco. Más caliente que el fogón de tu abuela y moca. ¡Ensala la boca! We out here, number 67.
67,
Feels good.
67.
And this is on a wild, like, you know what I'm saying? It's like a home away game, like, so, you know what I'm saying? Weird time. It's like a Sunday game.
Yeah. It's a Sunday game at 1. No, this is a Columbus Day matinee game at like 1 o'clock. Yo, we're recording this on a Thursday afternoon.
You know what I'm saying?
But you're going to hear it on Friday.
Because you know what I'm saying? Because we love
Shout
it.
out to the sponsor,
You know
Red
what
Bull
I'm saying?
Studios, the benevolent sponsors,
You know
which
what I'm
have
saying?
allowed us to make 67
episodes.
67
know what I mean?
beautiful masterpieces of art with the crystal clear clarity. Shout out to them as always.
You know what I mean?
Shout out to our other sponsor, Square. We've been
Shout out
giving
to
away
Square
that
Cash.
dough, Square
Yo,
Cash.
if we bless
Bodega
your life-
Books, the hashtag.
Woo.
What have we been doing this week? We've been giving
blessing.
out Bodega Books. We've been paying off student loans.
Yep.
Paying by people bundles.
Buying bundles. Shout out to you, the C3.
Shout out to homie with the Chromes today.
True.
The homie with the iPhone screen, the textbook. You know what I'm saying?
Shorty that just needed
with
the
the
hookah.
bed bugs. Like,
Shorty
yo,
that just needed the
everybody.
indictment.
Listen.
Respect it.
Listen, shout out to Bodega Hive, most loyal fans in the world, and
Shout
we're
out to
paying you
y'all.
back. So, you know, we're doing Bodega Bucks all week.
Yeah.
Be sure to download the Square app. You have to tweet at us with your Square, your cash tag.
Yes.
What you need the money for.
And what you need the money for. Listen, and nothing is too big, nothing is too small.
Yeah, you
I mean,
don't
listen,
know.
I mean, things are too big. We don't got like $50,000 to give away. But,
Right.
you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, if you want to just get a dub, my nigga, holla at us.
Yeah.
Be like, yo, I just need this dub.
You
Be
need
like,
just a Metro card or something?
yeah,
We got you.
We got you, B.
You need money. You just bought a $60,000 house. Maybe hit us up. Maybe we give you $40.
We get $40, you
You
get
know
some
what I'm saying?
groceries.
That's
You know what I'm
$40 you didn't have.
You feel me?
You know what I mean?
No, don't look
Beggars
at get
can't
close
be
to the mouth.
losers.
Exactly.
Choosers.
You know what I mean?
Or whatever. Or abusers.
Or abusers.
You know what I'm saying?
So if you need that
But
hookah,
yeah, Bodega Book. And it feels good.
does,
You know
it
what I'm
does.
saying? Because
It
like
does.
we've been blessed enough to like have great shit happen to us.
Yo, for real.
You know, we was just on Seth Meyers, body that shit.
Body that shit, you
know
already
what I'm
know,
saying? You know what I'm saying? Put that shit in the Cobra Crush. You know
what
what?
I
At
mean?
this point, the brand's beyond strong.
fuck is this nigga? It's just
All
fucking.
right, it's just me and Miro.
Just
We
about to
bent
get
over a
indicted.
bench. We
Oh.
both got our asses in the air.
That's right.
And some guys coming into the
A-Rod
locker room.
himself, niggas in there
and
like,
he got
"Hey,
a
guys."
big hypodermic needle
What's up? I got a needle for you guys for your cheeks.
right in our right buttocks and
yeah.
shit.
Hold
And
on,
I'm like,
hold
ah!
on. Yeah, squeeze your cheeks, Jesus. I'm gonna put it right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you about to be so brolic? Oh my god.
J-Lo's in the back chuckling.
She's like,
If you had my love.
Stop. You fucking it up. You making my cheeks loose.
This is jiggling and shit. I'm like, are you Ellie? I'm like, stop, J-Lo.
Stop.
J-Lo, I'm
I
trying
know
to
what
get
you about to
steroids
do.
and drinking my
Stop,
butt.
stop.
Like, please don't do the Bronx Hair Classics and shit.
Bronx-
Waiting for tonight. I'm like, no. Why are
Yo.
you playing the Hex Hector remix? You know that build up gets me.
That shit will ring off a fucking dope cocaine, nigga.
Oh
What?
man. That build up. Oh,
Yeah.
listen, that's a wash
Shout out
off.
to J-Lo though. BX, you know what I'm saying? Came to the
BX?
BX and now has a Vegas residency, B.
Shout out to J-Lo.
You know what I'm saying? Came
J-
up. What's she
Jennifer-
worth? Because we looked at Jerry Seinfeld is worth
$870 million fucking dollars, my guy.
You know what I'm saying? Which
J-Lo
is
is
absurd.
not far away. J-Lo is worth $300 million.
Oh shit.
Is J-Lo the most valuable person for the Bronx?
It's highly possible.
No, because I have love in my heart, and love is more valuable than
That's
money.
true, man.
Psych.
Our hearts are pure.
Can't pay your fucking bills with love.
Fuck outta here.
Go to Con Edison and be like, oh,
I love you guys.
I love you guys.
They're like, all right.
You're gonna love the fucking darkness,
Yeah,
asshole.
Great fucking dick.
You know what?
Have
We're-
fun cooking fucking food on a hot plate.
Con Ed is the power company here in New York, and they're so spiteful. If you owe them money in the summer, they'll keep the energy on in your house just to make it mad cold so you're uncomfortable and shit like that. That's how they work. They're terrible
saying?
people.
They want you to suffer.
They want you to suffer. They don't want you to win.
No,
they don't want you to be happy like little baby Assad. You
know what I'm saying?
I hate that baby.
That baby's so happy.
He's too happy. He's so happy and innocent. It makes me sick.
They give him this baby had Molly. They give him baby Molly.
They didn't give him Molly, but like he doesn't. His father loves him. His mother's there.
Yeah, and they're rich. It's like
rich.
he knows he's rich.
He knows he's rich. You
Yeah.
see it in the pictures. He's he's like, yo.
I'm like, yo, babies don't know shit, but I'm like, this kid definitely knows he's rich.
Shit. That's the only kid that knows his net worth. Mm-hmm.
He's looking this shit up. Yeah.
You know how like your kids have like that toy phone they could call like Big Bird or shit. His shit called Fidelity.
He's like, yo.
He's like, yo.
How are my Roth IRAs looking?
1 IRA, 2 IRAs, 3 IRAs.
Oh, great. Hey, I got 529s for the kids. It's like, nigga, you're 8 months old.
He's like a fucking like the Rob Report. How I finance my own college education. I'm like, what? How you can't do?
You
what?
can't walk. Nigga.
He's like, hey, you know what? I'm paying off student. I heard Bodega Boys was doing Bodega Bucks. I'm doing Assad Bucks. So, call it. Like, he could pay off your whole student loan,
Bruh,
like, right away.
You can pay off for life.
Oh, wow.
You can pay for anything. Paying off your life sounds like a threat, but it's not.
Well, I mean, it depends how you say it.
Yeah.
If you say it in like a...
Paying off your life.
That's the thing I heard. Like, that's what you did for Heather. You paid off her student loans, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which was never, which were going to be eternal. Because she was just paying the interest on, every payment was just interest payment.
Yeah. I've been in that. Like, with credit cards, and you get to the point you can't pay back, and you're just paying back the interest.
Yeah.
And you can't pay back the interest, and then you're not paying back shit, and then you stop opening the envelope altogether, and you're like, fuck this.
Fuck this.
I'm going to get a new
cares?
Social Security number. I don't need this
I don't
bullshit.
need this fucking shit. But I'm Dominican. I got 4 Social Security numbers.
Download the whole thing. A fucking ID from Florida off the internet. You used to be able to download torrent files, and they'd have high scale JPEGs, not even JPEGs, like TIFF files, and they'd be scans of government IDs from other states, and all you had to do was like they'd be Photoshop layers. So it wasn't a flat file. Like you could edit each layer, and the layer would have like the text. Listen, the scamming days, you guys missed out, man. Niggas used to get packages sent to abandoned houses.
I remember when IDs, they didn't scan them. So scamming IDs was just a fucking racket. You know what I'm saying? I remember they used to sell the fake shits on like fucking like 34th Street.
Remember the Village used to be 34th Street, 42nd Street, and the Village used to be the spot to get fake IDs. The number one spot, like from Bronx scammers, there was a spot across the street from Down the Hatch over by West 4th Street. And they knew they was doing some bootleg shit, and they was just with the shits. You had to pay like $160 for your ID, which was a giveaway, because most times the fake IDs was like $40.
Yeah.
These shits had like the fucking magnetic stripe in the back. You could do all types of shit with that. Niggas was busting bad checks up in Paramus with them. There's some cop listening to this like, yeah, keep talking, Jesus.
Keep talking, you fucking jerk.
You fucking jerk.
Put you away for years. I can't wait.
I've been tracking this case for 17 years. He has like the wild photo of me with mad
yarn and
string.
shit, fucking push pins.
He's mad confused. There's like employees from MTV2 there. Shane Smith is there. He's like, I don't understand.
I don't get the connection
what's
here.
the final?
Fuck.
What, the dead bear in the back? What is that?
What is the fucking...
Okay, Cardi B was on the election special. Rachel Maddow. But he went to school with Chris Hayes. Is Chris Hayes in charge?
Niggas taking pictures of your lawnmower while you're sleeping and shit.
He's
Like,
like,
hey, look, what is this?
Where's he getting a lawnmower money from?
What the fuck is this?
What the fuck is this?
We gotta follow this paper trail.
Look at all the Uber rides. Where's he going? Where's the cash? What's the connection? There's a wiretap on my phone, and the niggas just hearing me talking mad spicy and shit, and no kind of information.
Yeah.
Fuck you got on tonight, girl.
Fuck
that, yeah. Put your phone to the pussy. Put the pussy to the phone. Yeah. Make that shit. Make the pussy fart. Let me hear that shit. Yeah.
Yeah, put it in it. Put it inside. Put it inside.
Nasty.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Just rub it between your cheeks. Niggas gotta turn it off. Like, wait till they have to read that back in court.
Slurp, gurgle, gurgle. Damn, it sounds like mac and cheese.
Hey,
slurp,
girl.
Slurp, gurgle, gurgle.
Put the phone between your cheeks. Yeah. Smell bottom of phone. Is it nasty and warm? You're a nasty bitch. I'm just sitting in the court like,
end quote.
I'm in the court. I'm like, yeah, I said that, nigga. Yeah. He's like, do you have anything to say to yourself? I was like, bitch was thicker than a bowl of Snickers, Your Honor. I'm sorry. Look at that. Look at the yeeks. I couldn't help myself. Yeah. She got the juicy, loosey, moosey. Yeah. That's gotta suck. Like going to court and like you got the wild hot girlfriend and you going to jail for mad long.
That
last time you have sex with her, you try to kill her with your dick.
Oh man.
Try to remember the shit. Like 4 months later, you gotta beat your dick in the shower with shampoo, trying to remember what she felt like. Don't do crimes, kids.
Don't do crimes.
I just gave you a basic foreshadowing of the graduation speech I will give to College of Mount St. Vincent graduates in 2018. Shout out to College of Mount St. Vincent. Who I don't know what whack ass person is doing your graduation this year. I am your most notable graduate. I should be doing it. Enjoy having Larry, the top selling car agent at Potamkin Fordham Motors, as your speech.
Who is it?
I don't
is
know.
it Googleable?
I don't know.
Did they put that information out early?
I don't even care. Like, they should reach out. They should know. I'm popping, right?
Yeah.
Listen, a large part of the show is a Dick Flu solo, and I'm choosing to do it right now. So,
Yeah,
do you want to join in or not?
Yeah.
Do you want to do a double Dick Flu solo?
Yeah, let's fucking get in there. Battling dick flutes, dueling dick flutes. Yo, Hunter
That's
College,
the name
yo.
of our country band.
Shout out to Hunter College. You should have me up there and doing some type of speeches or something. You know what I'm saying? Even though, you know what I mean, I majored in selling ecstasy on the terrace. But
Dueling Dick Flutes?
I had a fun time.
Is that our bluegrass?
Yeah, dueling dick flutes.
Listen, we gotta get awards. We need an
Fam.
Oscar. We need an Emmy.
EGOT.
You got the EGOT.
We'll
we
be-
have to
we'll
get
be inspired niggas,
We gotta
bro.
get a country music award.
That's it.
So
Listen.
it's the double it. What is the
You could kill two with one
Double
stone
dick flutes.
because you can definitely win a Grammy and an Oscar for the same album, right? Because it could be a soundtrack.
3 6 Mafia won an Oscar for Hard Out Here for a Pimp.
Yeah, for Hustle and Flow. Yeah.
Yeah.
So shout out to them.
We're trying to
We
make
could
it
definitely
happen.
do that. Yeah. So we just do a movie, or we do some Hamilton shit. Win the Tony, do the movie
That's
about
what we need
that.
the Tony.
You know what I mean?
I want to
Yeah.
win the Capone Noriega Tony though. What?
So, what?
You can't. You cannot make Capone Noriega's
Kill
Tony.
a cop. What?
The
Yo,
hook was kill a
Kill
cop.
a cop.
What
Kill
the-
a cop. Yeah.
Remember what? Y'all are young. Y'all don't remember when Queens was called Cop Killing Queens.
Cop killing Queens. Yeah.
That was why. Does anyone know? Anyone in this classroom? As I talk to a group of kindergartners, why was Queen called Cop Killing Queens? Edward Burns.
Why?
Edward Burns was a rookie cop. He was protecting someone who was going to testify in the case of Pappy Mason, I believe.
Oh yeah, he got smoked. Yeah.
He was just sitting in the car, and the guy walked up and
Walked
just
up and
shot him.
blacked him, yeah.
Just shot him, and like,
Yeah.
it was like he was like 21 or 22. He was like mad young.
Yeah.
Very sad thing. Back when the cops' cars were blue and white,
Yeah.
I got into a fight with my teacher because she was like, he's a piece of garbage. Because there was a whole thing about the killer was Rastafarian, and it was like that he has to cut his dreads when he went to jail. He was like, no, it's part of my religion, so it was like in the papers and shit. And I was like, shouldn't he be allowed to have his dreads? Because like that's religion, like that's what America is. And like, she got in my face. And she was like, he's a piece of garbage.
How dare you?
I was like in 4th grade or some shit.
And then he was like, "Free Mumia."
No, I probably just cried. I was like, oh, mommy.
Yo.
I was like, oh, teacher, mommy.
Mommy.
Were you the kid that called the teacher mommy?
Yo.
That's
Shout
so
out to
sad.
that kid.
Yeah.
Shout out to that kid because that kid was usually the same kid that peed with his pants all the way down.
Showing the butt cheeks, making
Showing
everyone else
wild butt
uncomfortable.
cheeks. Like, my nigga, we in the 7th grade. We're 12, my nigga. I got dick hair. You show me your butt cheeks in the bathroom, my guy?
Yo, the first time you realize you're growing dick hair,
You're like, yo.
you're like, yeah, nigga.
Like, yo,
Start
shit.
lying on websites. Start like, are you 18? You're like, motherfucker, yes, I am.
Yeah, nigga. You want to see these dick hairs?
I'm like,
All 3 of
yeah.
them?
You're on MapQuest, like, yo, show me where pussy is. Just Google. Yo, when you're a kid, you don't know how to Google for sex and shit. Like for porn, you're like, guy rubbing woman on titty.
Titty clit. You can type titty clit into Google and get... What happens when you type titty clit into Google? What's the
Let's
first
find
result?
out.
What's the first result?
Titty clit. It's a punk bar. It's a punk group from Williamsburg.
It's a noise rock band.
Yeah. Actually, no. Titty clit is actually takes you to XNXXX.
Oh, shit. Oh.
What if you like walked in and I was just watching this casually? Like,
I mean, look, I don't king shame. If you like to watch Pino on your laptop in public areas, you know what I'm saying? That's cool.
I mean, is this uncomfortable? I feel like because you can't really just watch porn. Like at some point, you're gonna start jerking off, right?
I mean, yeah, I guess so. But like, I remember watching Pino with dudes in the room, but there was always like always girls in the room, and it was like it was like some stupid high school shit. Like, yo, if we put on Pino, they're gonna want to smash.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like that's like 16-year-old logic. Like,
Yeah.
yo,
Or you just rub baby oil on your chest and just walk around shirtless. Like, yo,
Yo,
you
what's
gonna
good,
want it.
ma?
This porn is not even good. It's all blurry.
yeah, a
It's-
lot of Pino on the internet is whack. On the tube sites, you got to really search.
Yeah, I mean, it depends. Like sometimes just like You know when you're mad smack and you stumble into the kitchen at 3 a.m.
Yeah.
and you'll eat like stale crackers you
don't
usually want to
give a
sell?
fuck.
Sometimes you
Yeah.
just jerk it. Sometimes listen, the car's outside. You got to be in like 5 minutes. You just got clear the
No,
chamber.
fuck it. You know what I'm saying? I'll just beat it to the fucking GIF.
Send wifey off to work with the fresh cream pie. She all skipping around work and shit.
Like,
It's
hey,
yo,
I'm having a great day.
she's been getting good dick. That's what you want your booze coworkers to say.
Yeah.
He or she has been getting
Like, yo.
the good wood.
They begin the good wood.
The good wood for the fire.
They look great.
You know what I'm saying? They're glowing. Is that can you say that without it being a sexual harassment thing?
There's some pep in stuff.
Can you walk around work and be like, "Hey, girl, you look like you getting good dick."
I mean, I don't know. I feel like it's case by case
Girl,
basis.
you glowing. You glowing. Girl, you getting got good dick.
You get good dick?
Girl, you getting your black blown out.
I feel like you would rather be told you're getting good because when people say you're glowing, it's either you're pregnant.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like that's the number one thing. So would you rather be told you're pregnant or that you're getting good dick?
What if you like, you know how like when women start asking all questions and shit, you be like, yo, you on your period? What if you be like, yo, you getting bad dick? And go to the bitchy woman in your office tomorrow and be like, yo, Cindy, are you getting bad dick? Is that why you acting like this? Is he not hitting the bottom?
Listen, because I'm saying, I'm saying. Actually, you know
You
what?
can
I'm
drill it
not
on guys too. Be like, yo, nigga, you're not bringing up good pipe.
You not getting a good pipe?
You doing the half mass shit?
That
You not come on, your girl gotta like get the fucking Hitachi shit going on afterwards. You know,
yeah, right
what
in
I'm
the
saying?
same room with you. She's laying there.
but
you're
she's like, don't stop. You like, stop.
That's like that literally makes you stop.
She's like, don't stop. You're like, well, I was trying not to stop.
And
But
you just told me. Now you just threw me off.
Women
I had to
saying,
count.
don't stop is the equivalent of people clapping when a pilot lands a plane. Like, what do you think I'm trying to do here, Mom?
Come on.
What do you think the end goal here is?
Trying to blow this shit up.
It's a Formula 500. I'm trying to go around 500 times, all right?
Come on.
I'm on lap 368, and I don't need you because I'm trying not to slide in the fourth yet.
This is a long haul, ma. I'm not trying to 1 minute your shit.
Sex is kind of whack for guys. There's a lot of pressure on dudes to sex.
There's a lot
It's
of
just like, you could have you know what? Sex is like pitching. And it's like, yo, some days you're going to have a perfect game, and some days you're going to give up 6 runs in the first inning.
Sometimes you don't have your good stuff.
Sometimes
You don't have your best stuff.
Sometimes the manager walks out to the mound, takes the ball, and pats you on the head.
You know what I'm saying?
He's like, yo, not tonight.
Nigga just snatches the ball at your head like, yo.
Sometimes your girl just be like, yo,
Hey.
hit the showers.
Yeah,
You
yo.
know, I see your girl pick up the dugout phone like,
Yo, change up his hand.
I need a southpaw. Yo,
Nigga comes out jogging out the back.
the guy's
Like, oh, what?
you're walking back to the seats, and the fucking fans are like,
Yeah, right.
he's not getting a warm reception. It's a PU.
Boo.
He's stunk it up tonight.
2 1/3.
Wow. 6 runs on 6 hits. You're like, what? You're like, wow.
Yeah.
He goes to the shot. He didn't even finish the first. You're like, wow.
Damn, dog. You sit down with a towel on your head, like,
Yeah, like, fuck.
Punch the Gatorade thing?
You punch the Gatorade thing as you go down the hall to the showers. You don't even stay for the rest of the game. But then some nights, some nights you got 60 pitches and you're in the 9th inning. Shutout game. You know what it is?
you don't
rock it,
turn
you
5
got-
double plays and shit.
You know, barehand catching the shit. 10 strikeouts and shit.
You're just cooking.
You cooking.
You're right in there. You're locked in.
You know what I'm saying?
in the zone.
You know it's gonna be a Yankee classic.
Oh, yeah. Michael K. Like,
Michael K is already using a lot of adjectives to describe you.
it's just amazing. The way we're in the bottom of the 7th. He struck out 28 batters.
Wow. The other batters getting tight, breaking the bat over their legs and shit. You killing it.
I think it's a curse out of the catcher. and
Yo,
shit.
sometimes you be blowing your girl's back out or some shit. Like sometimes you gotta stop and be like, yo,
Fam.
nigga, I am Yo, that feeling when you be like, yo, I am killing this shit.
Fam.
Like you be
There's
wanting
nothing
to
like
have
it.
like
There's nothing like it.
you want to have like, you know how you have the marathon, you have people with the signs cheering you on and shit. You be looking around like, yo.
Yeah.
You look at the clock, you like, yo, really?
Word?
I've been going that long?
Shit.
Just dripping sweat on her and shit. Like,
Yeah.
yo.
She's loving it.
You
All the
stop
switches
and she be
yeah.
like, you be like, yo, you're just rolling over to get water. You're like, I'm back at it.
Yeah, bitch, get in there.
This is the remix.
Yo. Yeah, there's no better feeling, B. That's like hitting a game-winning 3.
You know,
Like when
it's
you make sure these legs tremble and all that crazy
Yeah.
shit. Oh,
Or like her ear pops or some shit, some weird
man,
shit.
it's a wild
You find
shit.
out like she's like, yo, she's a little dizzy. She's like, I have like anemia. Like I get dizzy when my
Yeah.
blood sugar's low. I'm like, oh.
when I bust a wild night, I just can't really flatulent. It's just starts farting all crazy.
Just put your face in there like, yeah. Just turns you on again. You gotta
Smell of success.
Start going again. Yeah.
Yeah, we're dirty motherfuckers.
Dirty
on the show.
boys. Bodega boys.
Yeah.
Not today. We're not the Bible boys. We're the buggery
We're the
boys.
fucking butt boys.
We're doing that for like our Nickelodeon audience. When you're like a little kid, like butt is like
Butt is the
funny.
funniest shit in
It's
the
funny
world.
Shit. You want to touch my
I would
butt?
have definitely watched the Butt Boys in like the second grade.
Hey, butt boys.
Hey, Butt Boys!
Hey, butt boy.
Butt Boys! They're like two butts with legs and arms and shit. The Butt Boys! Butt Boys!
They got like fitted caps on the Timbs. And it's got like a blunt in between the cheeks. She was like smoking it. It's butt boys. What are you guys getting into today? I don't know. Butt stuff.
butt stuff.
Butt stuff. Like
Yeah.
we see the cops, we run off, we leave skid marks.
Yeah.
Yo, it's the butt boys, yo.
Yeah, we're in a butt play.
Yeah, it's all fun and games till we get nominated for like a Nickelodeon award.
Oh, shit.
And I'm out there in like my fresh Coogee, some
yo,
white
what's good,
pants,
yo?
some fresh Timbs.
Can you sign my butt plug?
No, fuck you. And we like announcing the awards. We're like, yo, they're like, the winners are the Butt Boys. We come up there, we're looking fresh as shit. We're doing an announcement, we're doing a thanking people. Like, yo, I want to thank Victor, blah, 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 blah.
Yo,
And them niggas hit us
squad.
with the fucking green slime.
Oh, I'm duffing 8
Like,
kids.
Who the fuck?
Yo, what the fuck?
Yo,
Yo,
like,
they're like,
this
oh,
fucking green
shit.
slime.
Yo.
Nigga, it's a $4,000 shirt.
Kevin Hart's like, God damn, damn.
It's my code Fords. Are you out to fucking?
Oh shit.
Just punch of random kids.
The Bodega Boys is in the
Nigga,
front
think it's a
row.
good burger?
The Bodega Boys in the front row dumping out
Nigga.
one direction. Oh
Nigga.
shit.
Where's Hillary Duff? I'm
Oh,
fuck
shit.
Up. Ah, I'm tired of shit.
Word up. Hillary Duff about to get dumped.
Where's Dakota Jackson? Fuck that little bitch up. Where's she at? Ah! The gag, it burns. It burns.
Yo, shut the gag.
No, you know what? I did the Nickelodeon tour as a child at Universal Studios in
Shout out to
Florida.
you. I was
Shout out to
blessed.
that. The gag that they pour on people is just vanilla pudding with green food coloring in it.
Oh, wow. So you
Does
can eat
not,
it.
You can eat it. It's just sticky as fuck.
That sucks.
Yeah.
That's I always wondered
But
that
they
as a
let you.
kid watching that shit.
You have to like sign things. They don't just drop it on you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So
they're
you
not
know
gonna-
what time it is.
Yeah, we should just start dropping shit on people on our shows.
That's dope.
Let's drop. Yo,
Air conditioner on somebody?
I was gonna say the wild bowl of cum, but whatever.
Bull go.
How did like one of those Japanese videos?
What looks exactly like cum? Can we get something that looks exactly like cum and then pretend it's a bowl of cum?
Wow, you shooting blanks?
Nah, but like,
Listen, I got.
Listen.
I got. Nigga.
oh, you know I got it. Nigga,
Nigga,
come
I'm full
on.
of Gatorade bottle right now.
Come on.
Sure.
Niggas know what time it is with me. I got the fucking 40 cows fucking slugs, nigga.
I got the nasty thick stuff. I got that pine tar. That should just sit like.
I had this shit Michael Pineda had on his neck, nigga. Like, yo, son.
They got the roofing tar cum?
He's like, Papi, I had the roof. I got the metal cum.
Oh, nigga, our aggressive cum. To come diddy bops to the egg and shit. Like,
Yo, what up? Yo, what up, ma?
That's the only cum that be in
Street harassing the egg and
fucking
shit.
sperm and shit. Be like, yo, ma, what's good?
Yeah?
Yo,
Yo,
what's
yo.
up? What's up with that? Yo.
Yo, what's good with that ovum, though?
Yo, what's up with that uterine lining though?
What's
What's up?
good,
Nigga
what's
trying to
good?
see what that feel like.
Yeah, yo, I'm trying to
Yo.
plant my head in there, you feel
Yo,
me? Get
nigga backing down the other
implanted.
sperms and shit with a gun. Like,
Yo,
why
yo.
y'all so close though? Back the
Yo, son, I
back the
pulled up
fuck
front. I pulled
nigga.
up first, nigga.
Nigga, yo, you
Yo.
know about me. I'll catch a body in a Honda. It's
Yo,
it's
it's
nothing.
nothing.
I did a little time. I go back.
It's light work.
Yo, I eat jail time, nigga. Back up. This egg
Fuck
is
outta
mine,
here.
yo. It's my bitch.
Told y'all niggas, man. I pulled up. I said this shit was mine. Y'all niggas started talking funny.
Nigga, catch
Put a hole in one of you niggas.
nigga, catch a tag on the side of the egg.
Sperm was here.
Like,
nigga.
yo.
Gang shit.
She's like, yo, are you gonna fertilize me? Like, nah, chill. I don't really know you like that.
I
I'm
don't know
just
you like
moving
that.
first.
We just talking right now.
Sperm. The sperm is in the egg with his like fucking tail kicked up, smoking a wild blunt on the couch and shit.
The ex-mom is there like, I don't like him. He come here every day smoking marijuana and smelly.
Yo,
Maldito.
yo, why she killing my house? Who is this?
Maldito sperm,
Yo, get
coño.
this old egg bitch out of here.
No, it's because you coming in this
Fuck
my
outta
house.
here,
This
nigga.
my house. It said
Nah, nigga,
Yesenia.
this my fallopian tube, nigga.
Yesenia sperm.
My fallopian
mine,
tube.
It's mine.
Yo, why don't you go fucking
I
have
know.
your period
I
or some
know.
shit?
I
Go
know.
make the blood come out
I
or
know.
whatever.
I'm out of here. I can't taste this.
so
I can't
stupid.
take this. I'm going to bingo.
Your mother's dumb. She be saying shit like the clitoris exists.
Yo, she's bad though.
That's a cartoon right there. That's a lazy fucking Dominican
Lazy
sperm.
Like, yo, I'm gonna just back up this ounce, bitch. Like, chill. Like,
Just the tail is just spinning. Like trying to bag up coke with his tail. Just put the coke everywhere. Like, who does a sperm coke dealer sell coke to? This nigga fly through the body and shit to the eyeball. Like, yo,
I need this. I need this
shit.
Yo,
I heard y'all niggas don't got no good coke up here.
you know what I mean?
Yo, where we? Scarsdale? This
Yo,
shit
what y'all
mad
trying to
far
do?
up.
Yo, y'all niggas driving. Yo, it's 3 a.m. I need this.
Your right armpit. If the human body was New York, the right armpit would be La Marina.
Absolutely. It's hot, sweaty. You know what I'm saying?
Also,
You mean?
Yeah. I guess Brooklyn would be like one of the legs or some shit.
Probably.
Yeah.
Like in between the big toe.
The Bronx would be the head. Arm, leg, arm, head.
you know what I
Yeah, you know
mean?
what I'm saying? The body of this shit, actually, because we're just higher than it.
Yeah. Yo, remember when Papoose did the 5 fingers and shit? The Bronx is the middle finger screaming, fuck you.
Yes.
Oh my God.
I had to say that at my kindergarten graduation. They didn't give us diplomas. They just gave us like fucking raw backwoods and shit. It was like, yo, light up, little nigga.
Yo, shout out to Mara Jr. who graduated kindergarten today, y'all. Totally, shout out to her. You know what I mean?
Wait, whoa. He graduated kindergarten today?
Yeah.
So why are you here?
Because I went in the morning.
Oh,
It was wild early.
Oh, that's
'Cause
why
it
you
was
were late.
it was elementary.
Oh.
Yeah, it was elementary school.
I was about to be like, damn, you on some Diddy shit. Like, you about this business for real.
No.
Nigga like, yo, shout out my son. I ain't going to your fucking graduation, though.
Fuck
I'm getting
that.
his money, nigga.
Nah, I ain't getting this shmoney, nigga. No, it was wild early because kindergarten, it was elementary school, so the kindergarten niggas go
Yeah.
first. So she was like dumb early. It was like 9:30.
Okay.
So I went to that shit. She was lit. Shout out to niggas singing. He held
Shout
up a
to
sign
my-
and shit. You know what I mean?
Shout out to my nephew, Miles. He has a recital on Saturday.
Does he like to do that type of shit? Because no, Adrian hates that shit.
We'll find out. I think he's he reminds me of myself. He's like, he loves to like entertain and shit. But what he does not realize is I am not coming as his uncle. I am coming as Dickhead Jesus. I am coming on such Hollywood shit. I am going to wear my most expensive sneakers. I'm gonna wear sunglasses the whole time. I'll be taking pictures with niggas. I'm gonna be kissing babies.
Yo,
I might run on stage to do a quick show like Usher.
niggas ran up on me at fucking Sky Zone in Paramus. It was like, oh my God. Shorty called me Marito. She's like, oh my God, Marito, I love the show. I'm there with fucking my son and shit. And Shorty, that's Heather's friend, was there. And she's like, what do you do? And then I had to give niggas a whole spiel like, yo, I got the talk show.
That's gonna be me.
You know what I'm saying?
He's gonna be up there. He's gonna be like, I'm a little teapot, short and stout.
I'm like, oh my God, is that Jesus?
Yeah.
Is that Jesus?
Just run on stage, knock the kids out. Yo, what up? Jesus Nice in the building. Jesus Vice here. Your Chipotle Pockets, they found material. Chris Afro Slick. Eli Lippy.
Oh my God, amazing.
Young Day Party. Young Hot Take.
Pontega!
Just tackle me off the fucking stage.
Yo, get him!
I'll come back.
Get the fuck out of here! Get the fuck is you doing?
I'm signing autographs afterwards.
Niggas in the parking lot, dead ass signing autographs. Like, yo,
I dead my nephew. He's like, I want to go in the car. Be like, get out. I'm done.
get out of here.
I said no more autographs, little nigga.
you gonna go to the restaurant with us, Uncle?
So I guess we're going to. It's a recital, so we're probably gonna have to go to City Island. So if
shit,
you want to
lit.
kill me, come to City Island. I'll be there.
City Island's about to stop popping.
All my friends are dead.
All my friends are dead. I mean, it's June, and it's felt like not June for the past.
It's supposed to be 90 this weekend.
Oh, so it's late.
So I'm wearing my romp him.
Oh, it's late.
You know what I'm saying?
It's so late.
No drawers. Just my cock sling on the side.
Slinging on the side. Yo, I'm
Just hanging
definitely.
out there.
Oh, I got the sweatshirts on deck. No
Look
drawers.
at that. Oh, you nasty women. Like, yo, I see his foreskin. It's going to be moisturized with mad cocoa butter.
Yep.
You be like, oh, Jesus, dick so greasy. I'll be like, yeah, man.
When you see that sweat dripping down the inside of my thigh, you know what it is.
You know what it is.
You know what I mean? Ain't no drawers.
I'm gonna feel violated. Chick grinding on me and shit. I'm like, stop.
Stop.
Like, for real? Are you for real?
Stop.
Stop touching me there.
Stop.
I don't even know you like that. You didn't even buy me any drinks.
Stop. You know?
Okay? Buy some hookah.
Yeah, please, at least. Come on.
Have some respect. I understand. Listen, I understand.
Buy some hookah because you gotta pay cash for the hookah, nigga. That's how I know you're not a fucking scammer.
Exactly.
Because these niggas be over here, OD scamming, OD.
Also, it's 1 o'clock and we. It's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock on a Wednesday and we had Don Coqui. So unless you a
hello.
broke boy, you would buy some hookah. There should be like, I know I'm going to lose a lot of Dominican listeners with this. The city got to regulate when and where you can smoke hookah. You can't just be doing it whatever you want. I'm sick of going to Thoughts apartments. I said it. And they got a hookah. It should be, hookahs need to be regulated like guns. You should just be able to just go to the store and buy a hookah.
I thought you said it like restaurants and shit. I was like, it definitely is though.
No,
my guy. Like,
people should not own hookahs in their house. If you're like Arabian or Middle Eastern, yes. If you're Puerto Rican or Dominican, there's no reason for you to own a hookah. You and your roommate sharing a hookah. Hookahs are not supposed to be neon colored.
Shout out to Ingrid. Ingrid made my nigga Carlos throw the hookah out. You know what I'm saying? She's like, I'm fucking hookah because the nigga dropped the coal on the carpet and burned the shit. She's like, you can't have that fucking hookah, nigga. That shit stinks.
They opened up a fake bodega a block away from me. That shit don't sell no beer. All the items are ripped out of bigger packages that say not for individual resale. And I'm like, what the fuck? Like, you guys don't sell nothing, but they sell wild hookahs.
Mad hookahs. They got the shit.
Hookahs,
They got the shit shaped like a gun.
hookah. Yes, the AK-47
yes.
shaped hookah.
Nice.
What kind of life are you living that you gotta smoke out of a hookah shaped like a machine gun?
Yeah.
Get your life right and learn Christ.
Yeah.
Should be doing that shit. They got the coals and shit. I'm like, nigga, I want a Bex. I don't want a fucking hookah coal.
What?
They got replacement tubes.
I'm like,
they're like,
yo,
yo, here, call this number 24/7
Yo.
hookah repair
Hookah
service.
piss.
In case I come home from the club at 5 a.m.
You know what I'm saying?
and my hookah's not burning properly.
You call the shit and the nigga's phone rings.
They come through.
You're like, oh shit, that's me.
Safe flight repair, safe flight replace. He just comes through like,
Yo.
you could use the app to replace for your hookah repair.
Nigga, I'm comfortable with the polo on the
He's
hookah
like-
light.
I knew Miro had a wild schedule. With 4 kids in the TV show, he wouldn't be home to let me fix his hookah. That's why he used SafeLight. I came through and dropped my hookah off. It was amazing. Using the app, he was able to schedule an appointment. We came through and he wasn't home. And when he came home, he had a brand new hookah. And he was able to be a filthy Dominican and smoke on it.
Yo, I want to just say to y'all, first of all, I'm fucking smacked. And second of all, shout out to Roberto and SafeLight for fixing my hookah. Now I'm getting smacked every day. I got mad flavor coals.
SafeLight repair, SafeLight replace. Listen, kids, if you're in college right now, whatever your major is, switch to hookah repair.
Switch to hookah repair right
Hookah
now.
repair and tattoo removal. That's it.
That's it.
Though, if you're an English major, it's quiet for that.
You know what I mean?
English is not going to exist anymore. Donald Trump's going to get rid of it.
Facts.
He's just making up words. Kafafi?
Kafifi, fucking Bigly, like he don't care.
Kafifi.
And that shit, and you know what's crazy? Shout out to white people for killing shit mad fast.
They getting the Kafifi license plates, Kafifi tattoos.
I'm like, how did y'all?
How are y'all so fucking corny, yo? You know when it started? Remember that one? She was worn. She was whatever. She persisted, and then mad white people lined up the next day to get that tattooed. What is that tattoo gonna mean to you in 2 years?
In 2 years.
You
Fuck, nigga, 2 months.
Some guy's gonna be blowing your back out. You have that as a tramp stat. He's gonna be like, what is this from Dark Tower?
Is this
what
Sanskrit?
reference is this? I don't get this. Is this Game of Thrones?
Is this Hebrew?
They were like, no, remember Kat Yates? She was going against Trump and she was warned. It was a moment in the thing, and I'm part of it. If you like my Twitter bio, it says #the resistance.
Yo, you mad corny, ma.
Yo.
I regret selling you cocaine.
Shout out to everyone's fucking people they're selling drugs to.
Yeah.
It's part of the game.
It's part of the game, bitch.
It's part of the game.
Part of the game.
It's a bad part of the game because you can't re-up with pussy.
You can't.
Yeah.
And a lot of you niggas get caught up and just be swinging girls mad bags for
free.
For free. Like,
I've been there. You see a cute girl give her a free $20 bag and would be fucked up. Her friend been buying for you for like a year.
Yep.
And her friend be like,
Yo,
are you serious?
So that means I'm a dub, my nigga?
I gotta
I'm
pay
whack?
$20 for a bag
I'm
of
whack.
coke, but she gets it for free?
So I'm whack.
Really, nigga?
Basically, what you're telling me is that I'm whack.
The worst thing, listen, white people don't like being called racist, and I don't like being called really nigga.
Oh,
All right? That's
man.
very hurtful.
It's so
I
hurtful.
don't ever want, really nigga?
Yo, it's
That's
so
how you hurt my
It's
I'm
very
like, ouch,
confrontational.
ouch.
It's like a finger in the chest. Like,
Ouch.
nigga.
I am better than
What?
that. Don't do that to me.
Nah.
Don't do that to me, ma. Yes, you are a dub.
Yeah.
Yes, you are a dub. I'm not trying to fuck you, so I'm not gonna give you a bag
Of
of coke
course,
for
I'm
free.
not. Why would I do that?
Come on.
The only people I ever
You got
gave
the
free
Fred
bags to
Flintstone
was people
tools.
that was driving me around or providing some other type of service.
Or people whose birthday it was.
Yeah.
But you know what? Sometimes people have like the wild problem, and you feel a little guilty, and you're like, here, have a bag, because you're trying to like get over your guilt.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Because you're part of the problem.
You're not part of the problem. You are the problem.
Literally.
Like that person's drug problem is you.
Yeah, you're fast forwarding the problem.
Yes, you're expediting it. Like literally, if they lose your number, they'll probably be better. But listen, like Onyx said, if they gotta buy it, if they're gonna get it from somebody, might as well be me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Shout out to Sticky Fingers.
Shout out to Sticky Fingers.
Sticky Fingers before he got knocked the fuck out by that white guy.
But a white guy, Simon Woodstock.
Simon Woodstock. That was on MTV.
Right, well,
Google it.
skateboarder, yep.
I don't know if it even exists because most stuff on MTV does not live on the digital realm because they had a lawsuit with YouTube and YouTube says fuck you.
Fuck y'all niggas. Go suck my dick from the back and go host your shit on Vimeo.
Venmo. Vimeo?
Vimeo.
Oh, Vimeo. Yeah.
This is a
Okay.
video
Yeah,
shit.
you're right. Shout out to them.
Venmo is who's about to take the L because Apple came out with the peer-to-peer.
Yeah. You know who's
But
not
you know
taking L?
who's not taking the L? Motherfucker, Square Cash.
That's right.
That's right, nigga.
That's how you advertise on a podcast.
You know what I
don't
mean?
Fucking interrupt the entertainment.
Shit. And start reading off of paper.
Yo.
Do
Do you have bug
a
cancer?
thing? that needs a thing, yo, take this other thing for that.
You know, I have not refreshed the Twitter app the whole time we've been here because I don't want to deal with what's going on in the world. I'm kind of off it.
I'm over the Comey shit too. Like I'm so over it. I'm like,
you know what the Comey shit?
You know what's gonna get? That's not even gonna get me tight. It's gonna make me laugh because I'm jaded and cynical and nihilist. Trump is gonna skate.
Yeah,
Trump is gonna skate.
Ain't nothing happening to him.
He's gonna skate.
He's not getting impeached. I think he probably like just live out the whole term.
Yeah.
Like, it'd be good money.
Like this will fake blow over and like nobody's gonna like
You gotta
it'll be
think
some
about
other
it, like-
new shit and
The people that are upset, like they're like people who voted for Hillary and people who love America, but everyone else is like, that's cool. They're like, go whatever. This Russia shit.
Metro car is still fucking $3. You know what I'm saying? Like,
You know, it's not just rural people in Tennessee. There's people in New York who are just like, fuck it, let Trump rock. That's the problem. You don't want to become jaded in America. White people's views of America are about to be like black people's views of America.
have a taste of that.
How about that?
Have
How
a
about
taste
that?
of that.
Catch me outside
Yeah.
the house. Get about now. You can't trust the government. Show the LeBron picture of him in his drive, like, Put my do rag, got my Merlot on.
Yo,
No, it sucks because everyone's like, why doesn't he do anything? The GOP is like, nah, we're good.
yeah,
The GOP is
like
like,
mad cowards.
you know, it's like if we are both selling dope and you beat the shit out your wife, and I just sit there.
Like yo,
I'm like, yeah, I'll bang with it. Fuck it.
Fuck it, you know what I'm saying?
Listen, the coke is fucking fire.
it's fire.
So why I'm gonna rock the boat?
I'm not rocking a boat.
I'm not rocking
coming
the
you
boat.
over here rocking Shorty's face off the wall, nigga. But you giving me grams for the low. So
Have you ever been in a room when someone's hit their significant other?
Yeah, but it wasn't. It was a woman hitting a man.
Yeah.
And it was like I felt bad because Shorty was not small.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And she wild. I'm not even gonna say niggas' names or locations at all because I don't want homie to be wild embarrassed.
Yeah.
But like, yo, she smacked this nigga in the face so hard in front of a room full of people because her phone rang and he picked it up to go pass it to her. And she thought that he was picking it up to look at it. And she was like, nigga, what the fuck you think you doing? And snatched her phone. He's like, yo, I was going to pass you your phone. And before he could even get the sentence out, pow, smacked him in the grill dumb hard. I was like,
Damn.
yo. I was like, why? I mean, she was a little drunk.
Okay.
But like, I was like, yo, there's like 20 people just seen that. I was like, fam, if that happens to me, fam, I'm like, yo, I gotta get out of here and
Yeah,
never
you
see
go
none of y'all
outside,
again.
try to lift a
like,
car.
you lose. It's
Yeah.
lose. Like if you smack Shorty back, like you took an L because it's like, yo, you just smacked Shorty in a room full
But
of
if you
people.
don't smack her back,
It's like, yo, you're like, yo, you just took a while, you're getting abused.
No, when I was in Antigua, mad drunk. I passed out on the bed, right? Because we was like with a group of people. There was like chicks. We all stayed in like this like cabana kind of thing, like a house. Then I woke up, and Shorty was there with her man. They like had been there all weekend and shit. And Shorty had the wild black eye, and like I was still drunk and shit. And I was like, "Yo, what happened?" I was like, yo, did that nigga hit you? And like, I'm shaking her. I'm like, yo, what happened? What happened? She's like, no, it was an accident. It was an accident. And I'm like, no, did he hit you? And I'm like, mad tight. I'm like, fuck this nigga up. How dare you beating up chicks? And, you know what I'm saying? Respect women, blah, blah, blah. She's like, no, it's an accident. It's an accident. But my cousin's there. She's like, yo, chill. It really was an accident. Apparently, they were playing dominoes, her boyfriend and another guy. They were drunk and they got in a fist fight. She was trying to break it up. The
got
boyfriend
duffed.
swung at the guy. She got in the way and got duffed, and the fight broke up because then they both felt bad. But I was like real tight. So it was like, yo, relax.
Like, damn, dude.
I was like, I respect women, damn it.
I respect females.
Ain't nobody gonna be beating up bitches while I'm here. They was like, that's Jesus.
Remember I respect females?
Yes.
Remember that?
Remember that? That was a Twitter moment.
That's crazy because like I feel like for the time he was quote unquote woke, but now he wouldn't be. If he was still around, he wouldn't be woke. Because his name is I respect females.
Remember his that's not
That's not woke at all.
Also remember like there was that whole debacle about whether he was deaf
Actually
or
deaf?
not.
Yeah.
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 Did he grow up to be Trey Songz?
He's Jaden Smith. That was Jaden Smith doing performance art.
He was like the first person. Black Twitter was like, "Nah, we are getting you the fuck out
Get
the
outta
page."
here, yeah.
Like I used to tweet at him for no reason, like, "Yo, fuck you." Dude.
Yo, it was like,
Like he'd be like, "Hello, beautiful women on Twitter. I hope you have a wonderful day." I'm like, "Go kill yourself,
yo,
nigga."
it's true story. Yo, I used to abuse that nigga like
Yo, old Twitter.
Old Twitter was foul.
Somebody
man.
was like, "Yo, why?" I think it was Dragonfly Jones was like, "Yo, you guys talk so vividly about old Twitter. All I remember was like mad homophobic slurs going around, and they could try to tell us to kill ourselves." I'm like,
Yo,
yeah, pretty much. Pretty much.
It was a Wild West.
Do you remember what was it? FTF on Twitter. People don't remember that on Twitter. Cause someone would put something out, you just reply FTF. Remember Rick Ross?
Oh yeah.
Rick Ross, one of his songs was like
for the Yeah. Nas, man. Yep.
For the Who's.
Yeah.
Listen, Twitter was the wrong place. It's come down to Twitter is so. It's like I feel like our relationship with Twitter has changed because Twitter before was like. I think we needed Twitter before a couple years ago. Like our lives were set up in a way it was just like we needed Twitter to like get through our lives.
Yeah.
And
Twitter's
a lot
cathartic.
Especially for black people, like Black Twitter. Like
Hell yeah.
during the Trayvon Martin shit. All
Look
that.
at this shit. Yeah, that was the only way to say,
To communicate with other black people around the country.
and actually communicate shit that in real time and like with zero spin.
Right.
Because if you're watching a news channel, you're getting some type of spin on the event. Like, but if you're watching somebody live streaming some shit from via Twitter or whatever the fuck, like there's no spin.
I think Twitter, we burned out on Twitter because of like Ferguson and all that shit.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, not because of Ferguson, but because of just cops killing black people and us having to constantly start hashtags and all this stuff. So that changed the culture of Black Twitter. Like Black Twitter right now is not the same.
No.
It's not the same. It's not. It used to be more not loving, but it felt more like a family.
Yeah.
And now it just seems kind of like it feels like people trying to get discovered and then just people just being assholes.
It's like it going from a family, like regular family, to now it's the Jackson 5. And everybody's trying to G off and start a hashtag and get paid.
That is true.
You know what I'm saying? We out here.
I mean, Jackson 5, yeah, that gotta be. Imagine being like the third Jackson.
Yo, who? It was Jermaine, Tito. Mike,
Michael was
obviously.
first.
Michael,
like,
obviously.
Let's keep it funky.
Yeah, Michael, Jermaine, Tito. Michael, Jermaine, Tito.
Miguel,
Miguel?
Montebello,
Yeah.
Barrington,
Yeah.
Akira.
Yeah.
No, there was Reby, Janet,
Leonardo. Michelangelo.
Raphael,
Yeah.
Donatello.
And that's it.
Who was the coolest Ninja Turtle? I always thought it was Donatello from the video game because he had the long stick.
He
and
had
it
the
was
wild long stick.
yeah,
Yeah,
he could do shit.
you could do shit from Mad Deep, but then it's like when you watch a cartoon, like Raphael was like mad brooding. You know what I mean? He's
Yeah,
like,
but-
yeah. He's like, man. He's like, you motherfuckers don't know shit. Like everybody else, like Michelangelo was like mad happy-go-lucky, like on them Zans and shit.
Cowabunga
Cowabunga dude, nigga was mad high and shit, like just chilling, surfing in the sewer.
You know what? If you think about it, all the quote-unquote cool characters from our childhood were high.
Yeah,
Super high.
Shaggy,
Shaggy.
Scooby were definitely both high in the mid. They get high in the van before everybody. Yo, correct me if I'm wrong. Wasn't they the last two to come out the van every time?
Every time.
Every time. You know what they doing?
They
you know what I'm saying?
They
Niggas
smoke
like,
till they
you know
fingernails
what I'm
burn.
saying?
You know what I mean? Yo, how much of a scumbag you gotta be to smoke weed with your dog? Though?
You know what I'm saying?
Like your dog is rolled up the bar, like give it
Yo.
backwards.
I'm gonna keep it fucking. One time, Brownie was like mad interested in me smoking weed, and she was just like sniffing around, and I just like. I didn't blow weed smoke in her face, but like I took a toke and I just like, you know when you kind of like hold the smoke in your mouth?
Yeah,
And she was just like sniffing it. And I was like, do dogs get high? Can dogs get high?
yeah, they could get high.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's not good for them, but
No, right? Don't they panic? It's bad for them. They panic.
they don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
It's like it's scary to
Yeah.
them, I'm sure. I remember when I worked in a nightclub. Oh, rest in peace, Rocco. I miss you so much.
R.I.P. all the
He got
time.
in my stash.
He ate bud?
He
Oh, he ate
chewed
edibles?
through, he chewed through 2 bags of weed, and I was like, "Fuck!" And I was like, "Yo, we gotta go to the emergency room vet." And something was like, "Whoa, Google this."
Yeah.
And it was like, if you bring an animal to the vet and they have ingested drugs, they have to alert the authorities.
Oh, of course they take the dog.
Well, no, they call the cops about like you have drugs, you had drugs and shit. So I was like, oh damn, I guess we're gonna have to sit on this couch and wait for the sun to come up. And I'm just sitting there like I was smoking a blunt and I'm mad high. He's just like mad like sleepy, and I'm just like keep waking him up like don't go to sleep,
Don't go to sleep.
Don't go to sleep. But he lived, so shout to him.
Yeah.
The good memories. Oh, I'm thinking about getting another dog. I gotta get an apartment first, but
Are you gonna
damn.
get the same breed of dog?
I love Boston Terriers. There's something about their disposition. They're very friendly with children, but they're very loyal. And like they got the little bug eyes and stuff. Like that's my favorite type of dog. So I probably would.
Yeah.
I was thinking about a shelter dog, but then I was like, no,
No, you got money now.
I got money now.
Yeah.
I want to pay $90,000 for a hypoallergenic
Fuck it.
Portuguese water pool.
You know what I'm saying?
You know
Then
what
you'll
I'm
be
saying?
at the fucking the show at the what's the shit on that comes on every Thanksgiving before after the parade?
the puppy bowl.
Nah, it's like
The AKC.
the kennel, whatever the fuck.
Westminster kennel shit.
Westminster,
Yeah.
And niggas just run around like you run around the fucking ring with a little tree with the dog and shit. Like, yo, that should be lit though. I'll be smacked because there's mad breeds of dogs that look ill. You know what I'm saying?
I don't want no dog that like it's because I saw a greyhound the other day and I was like, yo, if something, God forbid, something happens like a zombie apocalypse or something, I'll eat that dog right away.
Oh yeah,
You know, you want a dog that's too cute to eat.
yeah. Shout out to Brownie because she's definitely too cute to eat.
How old is Brownie? Brownie's getting up there.
7. She's like middle aged, I guess, right? How long do 15, 14 typically?
13.
13?
Yeah.
Because we got her fixed early. The vet was like, yo, you just added like 3 or 4 years to your dog's life.
Vets
Like,
are full of
fixed.
shit.
You know what I'm saying?
That's not.
I was like, all right.
You can't. Come on. That's.
Because they get ovarian cancer?
Vets be like shout out to shout out to Central Ave vet thing, gang. They're the real thing. But like sometimes vets just be lying and shit because it's like
They want to bill you.
exactly.
You know what I'm
Some
saying?
people,
It's just like regular hospital.
Cause when you go to a vet, like that's like your pet, and you're crying, and you're like, "Yo, save Mr. Fluffy." I don't care how much it costs and shit.
Like, that's Grey's Anatomy to them. They're just like, yo, it's fucking patient A,
You know
room
what I'm saying?
B.
It's like when you go, if you don't know anything about cars and you're going for an oil change, you're like, hey, I gotta lubricate the joints, and that's gonna be like extra $400.
Well, look, this bottle of oil, the viscosity is 10% lower than this one, but it's gonna run you about $78. Like what? Nigga, for a quart of oil?
Nigga, I just came for an oil change.
What?
Why y'all doing
What's
that?
wrong with you?
What's wrong? Why would you do that? Come on, man. Oh,
But yeah, nah, shout out to Brownie. She's out here.
shout out to you.
I thought about that shit, and you know what I'm saying, due to Rocco's passing, you know what I'm saying, RIP to the God. I was like, yo, what about? I was like, how are my kids gonna feel about Brownie?
Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Like my nephew took Rocco dying he doesn't understand it. Like he still walks around. He's like, "Where's Rocco? Where's Rocco?" My mother took him to Rocco's grave in the back and was like, "Rocco got really sick and went to sleep. And he's not with us anymore, but he's here." And he was like, "Oh, poor Rocco," but he doesn't get it.
Yeah,
so
kids don't understand.
Kids don't understand that.
Yeah. My kids be like talking about death all the time, like mad casually,
Yeah.
like yo. I caught them in the bathroom the other day, and this, Avery's up on the sink, and I'm like, yo, get down from there. He's like, why? I was like, because you fall and crack your head open, nigga. What you mean, like why? You know what I'm saying? And then Adrian's like, yeah, if you fall and you crack your head open, you'll die. You'll be dead. I was like, and he's like, why? What does that mean? And he's like, Adrian's like, you'll be dead. Like you'll be dead, and like we can't see you anymore, and you'll just be dead. Like that was his whole explanation. I was like,
Shout out to Dark Adrian. No, my nephew doesn't understand death, so what I did, I got the unloaded 4.5 and I put it to his head. I could see the chamber. I was like, dig it now, dig it now. You understand it now? You understand? You understand it now?
Look, it says it's the fucking anime sweats.
Oh shit, that's so fucked up. We're terrible people.
We're awful.
We're just terrible people.
Living in a terrible.
You know who has a
world.
cute kid? Chrissy Teigen and John Lennon.
Yeah.
John Legend.
Look, baby Luna.
Shout out to Baby Luna.
She threw out the first pitch at the game.
I saw that.
Yeah,
She's
super,
adorable.
Super cute.
Because she has Chrissy Teigen's head and she got John Legend's face.
Okay.
It's cute. It's a cute baby.
Yeah, shout that out.
We remember cute babies.
Yeah.
There's celebrities with ugly babies, and that's fucked up because they don't be putting them on Instagram and shit.
Yeah.
Who's the celebrity got a low key ugly baby? Who was pregnant and we never seen their child?
I low key, I feel bad slandering, but fucking Black China and Rob Kardashian baby is not cute though.
No.
That baby fat as fuck, bro.
I like that baby.
Baby a fat
No. You can't say that. That's a cute baby. I mean, it was gonna be fat regardless, but it's cute. It's the chubby. It's like,
He said it's gonna be fat regardless.
it's a chubby baby.
Niggas got all the nutrients from fucking Black China's
Rob.
cheeks.
You know what I'm saying? You can slander that baby also because doesn't Rob owe you money?
Yeah, that's right. You owe me $80. That's not. So I got wild slander for your kid, my nigga. Pull up.
What if he pulls up?
Yeah.
We need our money. Let's take him to. Let's take him
How
to
big
Judge
is
Judy.
Rob Kardashian? I feel like obviously if we jump him, it's a wrap.
Oh, yeah.
But how big is
Listen,
this nigga?
there's not
I
many
could definitely
people. There's not. I feel like because we're popping.
Yeah.
But because we're from the Bronx and we never want to go back to not being popping,
Fam.
there's no one that could beat us up.
Oh, my God.
Listen, you're gonna
Fam.
see one day on TMZ, it's gonna be me fighting like a 6'8" running back or some shit, and I'm gonna be like mad drunk and I'm
just
clearly
going
losing a
ham.
fight, but I'm keep coming back.
Yeah, not giving a fuck. Fam, have you ever tried to flush a roach down the toilet?
Like a weed roach?
Like a roach, like an actual roach.
No,
Like
Rob
an
Kardashian
insect
is
roach.
6'1".
He's 6'1"?
Yeah.
6'1 3/4.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? I got some weight on him. Nah, but that flushing a roach down the toilet, that's me trying to escape poverty, B. Like that shit is running up the side of the bowl trying not to die, nigga. That's me trying to not be broke.
You just working, you just grinding.
Yeah, fuck it.
Oh, okay, man.
get
I
it.
respect it. Can't go back to because what like we've seen too much to go back now.
Yeah, bro.
And life would be so sad.
Yo, like I said that shit. I think it was like on like a wild Instagram live rant. I was like, yo, bro. I was like, look, shout out to my former way of life. I was like, but that shit was cool. That was a chapter in my life. We moving forward. Niggas ain't going back to that.
Never.
I'm good.
Well, maybe. I mean,
Never say never, but
Because then you said never twice.
You know what I mean?
Shut up. Are your eyes so green, girl? Wait, Black China's only 5'2"?
Really?
She seemed taller that night.
The all women's this is wild to me, especially like dancers and adult actresses or whatever. All seem way larger on film or on screen than they do when I meet them. You know what I'm saying?
But I'm saying we almost fought her. She seemed much bigger. Was I that drunk?
Yeah.
Wait, so
also we were sitting kind of like on an incline.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, this makes no sense. Amber Rose is 5'9", Black China is 5'2", and they were about the same height that night.
I think it was the shoes.
The shoes?
I think it was
Okay.
the shoes, yeah.
Doesn't matter.
Because they had the wild floor length shirt that said like bitch, slut, whore. I was like, thank you for fucking up our entire camera time.
Remember this? Happy
Yeah,
Kanye Day.
Kanye
You can't
Day.
see it. It's a picture of me and Miro, Kanye,
Yeah.
the infamous picture where I sat on oh wow, that Corey guy's in the back. Yeah,
Yep, he's out there. Your body
look at this.
double.
Remember that was like the biggest moment in our lives, and now that's like it's like a Wednesday. remember that time we met Kanye? Yeah,
Yeah.
it was alright. It was cool.
It's cool, man.
Kanye's not even on our. Is Kanye in your top 5 people you've been excited to meet?
He fell out of the top. I mean, not excited.
Who
I mean,
have
like,
you met recently and you're like, yo, wow,
Whoopi.
Whoopi?
Yeah.
Didn't the dude we just met, Jerome Butler.
Oh, Jerome Boateng.
Yeah.
Oh shit, yeah. He's
Shout out to him,
huge.
gang gang.
Squad, you know what I'm saying? Bodega Boateng.
Bodega Boateng.
You know what I'm saying?
He was like, yo, when you're out in Germany, I got you. I'm like, nigga, how the fuck do we get out in Germany? Why do rich people say shit like that? Like, yo. Like, nigga,
Yo, shout out to Eddie Wong for being like, yo, I'm doing New Year's at St. Bart's. Like, you know what I'm saying?
How did I get there?
Yeah, like, oh, you just got to take a private plane and then take a puddle jumper? All right, cool. Yeah, that's light work.
Shout out to Eddie, who was like, yo, if you want to use my boat in France.
Yeah, I was like, yeah.
I'm like, what? Like, I don't know how this shit works.
Yeah, let me go on Southwest to see if what the fares to Paris are looking like.
Expedia.com to Monte Carlo. Like, no. They were like, I'm
They don't
sorry.
even got the correct characters to spell the city name and shit.
They're like, we're sorry. We have seen that you are using the browser called Broke Boy.
Broke Boy,
You cannot
Navigator.
enter into our Broke Boy Navigator. The startup noises. Broke Boy. I'm Buns.
Whatever happened to Netscape Navigator?
Netscape Navigator was
Where did they go wrong?
Netscape Navigator, and let me
I like asking you random computer shit. You know what I'm saying? I got me smacked. I'm like, yo.
Oh, Netscape's still around?
Is it? There's still
Yeah.
a Netscape. There's still a
was-
Netscape Navigator.
Netscape used to be
It used to be like the premier browser.
yeah. Oh, they got bought by AOL.
Okay.
AOL killed it in 07.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, in AOL, if you have AOL, they still use Netscape.
Oh shit.
Yeah. You know what? A lot of people still use AOL.
That's crazy, right? And
A lot of
but it's not that crazy because old people just let shit. If they put shit on autopay and just let it rock forever, and they don't even realize they're using half their SSI check to pay for AOL.
Well, you know what it is? Like, there's a lot of part of the country you can't get high-speed internet.
Oh, that's
Because
right.
you
yeah.
remember, America is fucking big and
Yeah.
it's very rugged. Like,
Yeah.
there's mountains and shit. So if you're like in the Appalachian Mountains and shit, not getting Wi-Fi, you have to have like dial-up and shit like that. So, well, not Appalachian Mountains. I'm just using that as an example. But in other places around the country, dial-up is the only option people have.
Yo, if y'all listen to this and you only got dial up in your area, holla at us. Let us know what
Think
it's
about
like.
it. If they only have dial-up and they're like, I don't think anyone else at dial-up is like fucking listening to our podcast.
That's what I'm saying. Like in
They're
the
gonna
6
use
months
all
when
their
you get
fucking
this,
they're gonna use all their bandwidth for one episode and shit.
when you download this, when it finishes downloading in 2 weeks, holla at us.
The last version of Netscape browser, Netscape Navigator 9, was based off of Firefox 2, so you know it was trash. And that was in October 07. What's your browser of choice? Are you a Safari person or Chrome?
That's funny because I actually still use Firefox or Chrome. I started using
Really?
Chrome more now. Yeah.
Firefox is a resource hog. You should turn on System Monitor and look what it does to like your CPU cycles. Yeah.
Yeah. It slows my shit down.
It does. It's not coded well, so it's like you ever use your computer and you hear the fan start.
Yeah. That's what it is.
That's what it is.
Okay.
You have to make your computer work smarter, not harder.
True.
You know what I'm saying?
Word. So should I fuck with Chrome? Because Safari to me is kind of I don't really bang with
Safari is good because it's native to the fucking
To-
Apple
right,
environment
yeah.
and like they dick suck it. Like
Yeah.
iTunes, like you don't. No one needs iTunes, but Apple's like, no motherfucker, you're gonna use iTunes.
Nigga.
You want to talk to your iPhone? Install the software through iTunes, and you're like, iTunes is like music software. They say install it through iTunes, nigga. Apple's the Wild West of your father.
Yo, just do it.
Just do it. Why you ask so many questions? You answer a question with a question. So no, there's been studies saying like Chrome is faster, or Firefox is faster, Safari's faster. Listen, guys, just do what feels better in your heart.
Yeah. Just go feels good.
You know what I'm
whatever
saying?
browser gives you the best energy. You know what I'm saying?
Because you guys are weak. You guys have to use browsers to access the internet. Because I am a cyber child, I directly connect using terminal, and I use command language. I connect directly through HTTP.
I was about to be like, yo, I got a 5-pin in my head.
I could just send get and put commands like, yo, get put head.
C://
Let me
Shout out
drop
to MS-DOS. That was the last thing. That's when I was like really fucking with computers, and I just completely stopped because my uncle works for Swift, which is like some banking, financial, whatever, and he just goes all around the world like doing systems for people or whatever. And he had Macs mad early in the game, but like I'm not iMacs and shit, but I'm talking about like
The
90s,
old Macs.
like
Yeah,
old,
yeah.
yeah. And I remember using them shits. And like my mom's being like, yo, you need to learn computers, like that's the future. And my pop's being like, shut the fuck up, nigga. Come fix the refrigerator, you asshole.
I had a piano teacher, and I was like, I want to go into computers in the future, and she was like, that's stupid. Computers are stupid. You should become an accountant. I was like, what?
What?
She's like, become an accountant. And I was like, she was like, everyone's always going to need an accountant. People are not going to use computers. I'm like, computers are
really?
going to kind of be accountants. Shit, but, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. Shout out to her. I used to pass her when I walked Rocco, and I would like shake my fist at her. I was like, you wasted my time.
Bitch.
Did your uncle
you play
have MS-DOS 5? Did you play Gorillas?
When he got me, he told my pops like, yo, get this nigga a computer. Like he needs to have a computer to fuck with it on his own. Yup. And then my mom was mad hype off this because you got to type in the angles. You know what I mean? So my mom was a math teacher. She's like, oh, this is good. I like this game.
Why has no rapper sampled this yet?
I'm saying.
Oh, why did I put that out there?
The wild bass drop.
Damn. Watch little Yachty use that shit or some shit. Like,
And
all my niggas gorillas.
when you hit the sign of frowns.
All my niggas gorillas. All my niggas gorillas.
Yeah.
I'm like, damn, I gave one another idea.
What happens if you just destroy? You know what I used to try to do in that game is just destroy all the buildings and not actually hit the gorillas.
I never played the game.
No,
I used to.
I
There
played
was
that
a
in
hack
Snake.
to drop down into the programming in it, so I would never play the game. I would just do the
Go
hack
through that and do-
then to
was it
start
QBasic?
fucking. It was written in QBasic, so that I would drop down into that, and I would try to like access the computer at assembly language level. And I remember a teacher walked over, and I had like mad zeros and shit. I was like in some sort of hexadecimal code on the computer, and she was like, "Nah, you can't go on no more." She was like, "I don't know." She's like, "I do not know what you're doing, but you're not go back on it." And I was like, "That's some bullshit."
Yeah.
And then it's like, they're up next to use a computer, Christopher. I'm like, and Chris Hayes is like, tonight on computers, I'm playing Oregon Trail. I'm like, this nigga, damn. Chris Hayes.
Hey, Jesus, you died of dysentery.
Shout out to the homie.
Yo.
Shout out to the EG program.
Keep
They
it
had
funky.
us
Did you try to ford the river every time?
every time.
Yeah.
That's the only way you live.
Real niggas.
That's the real nigga shit.
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying? It's not real lives.
Fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here. We was never. No one ever reached Oregon. Is that where you're trying to reach anyway?
In my mind, I was trying to make it as much like a movie as possible, so I would try to be dramatic and like a couple niggas gotta
You got
go.
listen. You got to ford the river.
Come on.
Yeah, you can play it safe and take the ferry, but you know what?
It's gonna cost you,
Listen.
and you only got 400 pounds of meat.
Every man lives, but not every man dies. You know what
True.
I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Or reverse that.
Yeah.
Or flip that.
Yeah.
Reverse it. Now pick it back into the work.
Cold before you come, I need to shave my cha cha. I'm like, yo, is Missy really shaving a pussy before a sex date? Like,
You know what? Not for nothing.
For a dick
I
appointment?
feel like even old Missy put that work on you.
yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Listen, a thick girl for the South.
Come on.
Like, listen.
What season? What season?
Suck it to be too high. Like, yeah.
Come on.
Listen, push that fucking garbage bag to the
to the
side. Yeah, Missy. I can't stand the rain. Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
man.
yeah.
Toppy's probably crazy too.
Yeah. Was she shaving the chocha for you to eat it? You're like, nah, I'm not doing that.
Come on, what you talking about?
Have you ever had a girl invite you to her house just to eat her out?
Yeah, and I'm like, yo, you're wilding. Like, we're not doing this. Like, I'm gonna smoke this blunt and leave. Like, I'm not even gonna do that whole disgusting eating kind of shit and be like, yo, I'm gonna eat your pussy and try to make you have sex with me. I'm gonna just smoke this L in your face and I'm gonna bounce. I'm not even gonna swing this shit to you.
You ever smoked the LYE someone out?
Yeah.
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 That shit's wild disrespectful.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Like,
you
fuck shit in ashtray.
You
and
like
shit.
ashing out her clit and shit. You be like, you know what, I'm about to go in. Just balance the fucking blood on
You
the
know
top
what
of the
I'm
shit. I was
saying?
like, yo, don't move, ma.
The wild cherry fall on clip like.
Nah, eating pussy is disgusting.
Yeah.
Not saying I don't do it. I'm just saying it's nasty.
Yeah.
Y'all pee from there.
Oh shit.
I think I don't. Listen, I'm about to say something problematic. I'm not going to stop because
Okay.
you're Jamaican. That's why you say it. I mean, I do it, but
Jamaica, yeah, it's against the rules of Jamaica.
I'm doing a documentary on Jamaicans and their relationship with eating pum pum.
It's like the opposite of Dominicans. The Dominican niggas is like, yo, you got to eat the pussy and then recklessly eat the ass and do all
Yeah.
types of
See, you
fucking
can't be doing
maneuvering.
all that.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, it depends on who it is too. You can't just eat any old ass. You know what I'm saying? Like
What's sad about Jamaica is like you see how like Russia hacked this election with fake news.
Yeah.
All you'd have to do to hack the Jamaican election is be like, yo, the prime minister was eating pussy.
he's eating pussy.
Like his-
And photoshopped it again, like fucking a
With
bank bro scene.
the fucking mad wet top lip.
No, the America.
They're gonna vote him out of office. They're gonna put on their fake wigs and be like, he must go now.
He must go now. He was
must go
seen.
now. Shame. Shame.
Him was seen in naughty Jamaica.
Naughty Jamaica.
Nobody can do it better.
I've always wanted to go to a Sandals resort. I saw Tyrone playing a steel drum. I wanted him to bang on my metal, if you know what I meant. I got it clear from my husband. He'd be watching from the hotel room across the bay.
One fucking cuckold shit. Yeah. Shout out to Pino. Shout out to Jada Stevens, you know what I'm saying, who's a fan of the show.
Shout out to them.
Yeah,
I feel like more, they should do, someone do a Bodega Boys parody porn.
Yo, it was good. Yeah.
No, it'd be
Bodega,
no,
Bodega
stop.
Balls?
Actually, no, we do not want that.
Bodega Buns?
It'll be mad problematic. It'll be like me trying to bang Heather or some shit.
Oh!
Some wild shit, or
nah.
like me and you DPing like a guest on the show and shit on the table. Like, come on, we can't have that. I mean,
Nah, take
I'd
that-
watch
I'd
that,
take it
but I mean, I'd be upset. I'd be like, yo, this is whack. Like, I've watched this like 40 times, and
It's terrible.
It's terrible. It gets
It's-
worse with every.
It's triggering.
Also, I wouldn't do that as my finishing move. Y'all know I like to end with this purple swirly over her eye. What's your finishing move?
I call it the rake. You put your fingers in between in Shorty's hair in the back. You smash it in front of back, nigga, and then you just nut in it, and you be like, "You're pregnant now."
Yeah, that's definitely some married shit. Can't do that.
No, you can't nut, nigga. I was doing that shit before marriage.
I just pull out and then I do that. You know that fucking noise that's on all the Future tracks. That Kill Bill siren noise. I do that in the air. Like, I'm like, I'm done.
Yo,
I'm out of here.
yo, Mero done, bust this nut, nigga, and then I roll over. That's it.
I gotta get like a drop for sex, and I can just hit the button and be like, yo, if you're Metro, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. But yeah, done.
You about to catch this shit? Oh shit.
Okay. Nope. Sorry, y'all. It's a wild snitching shit.
That was a while. I was like, is that it? Is that the noise? That's your drop?
That's my drop. Yeah. I was like, oh, she's like, I'm getting a phone call. I'm like, no, you're getting impregnated. That's what that was. They should come up with something like some sort of womb notification. Let me know, like, yo,
Ding.
like highway to the danger zone. This is a sperm speeding.
You know what I mean? Highway to the break it tone. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
But you know what I'm saying? Out here.
I like that.
Get them. And yeah, no,
Every time you got your wife pregnant, did you know you did it?
no, I knew. But when it was like, oh shit, I'm pregnant, I knew I would think back and be like, oh, it was that time. Because when you're married, you smash a lot and it kind of all like molds together. You know what I'm saying? Because you're smashing usually in your crib.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like you smashing in your crib. So it's like, I can't differentiate Monday from Tuesday, except like, yo, Tuesday, yo, it was that thing we did. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
Or whatever. But I digress.
Right.
But when she was like, yo, I'm pregnant, I thought back and I was like, oh, that was that one time I came
Yeah.
back from the Christmas party. I was wild drunk.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you was like, I'm tired. And you was like, yo, I'm not so tired anymore.
Wow.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Nasty. When you tell your shorty, she's like, yo, I'm tired. And then she's like, untired all of a sudden. You know what I'm saying? When you say some nasty shit in here, she's like, oh, what's up?
Nigga, ain't no woman been tired in 3 years. Like, come on, let's keep it funky. Let's keep it funky over here.
Yeah.
All right.
Yo, I'm tired.
Listen,
You tired?
when Jesus in the building, the weeds come out. You know what I'm saying? Should we put the hair up in the body? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I kid, no. I just spend my nights praying and reading my Bible.
I respect that.
I have a strong Christian relationship. I would like to share with you guys, I don't know, a new thing we're going to do on this show. The Bible Boys are back in the building.
Hey, guys.
We're talking about a lot of stuff. I think today's scripture will be, Leviticus 19:33. When a foreigner resides among you in your land, do not mistreat them. The foreigner residing among you must be treated as your native born. Love them as yourself, for you were the foreigners in Egypt. I am the Lord your God.
Oh, wow,
That's a poignant scripture. I thought about that. I like to think about that. And when I think about that, I like to think of the gospel of Bobby Shmurda.
true.
How he threw his hat to the Lord.
He did. He threw it to the Lord,
He no longer looked at it.
hoping that he would catch it and return it.
And the Lord did.
He returned it favorably to him.
And then he said, you know what? I will bless you and Rowdy Rebels with something called computers.
Here you go. They will play it at children's parties. The children will rejoice
They will Millie Rock. Not just here, not just there, but on every block.
on every block.
Every block.
Every block. Amen.
Amen.
Can the congregation say amen, please?
Amen, brother.
We'll be passing the collection plate around shortly, please.
We have square readers, so I'm
Todd.
trying to bullshit, right?
You know what I'm saying?
Cash check on that.
Yo,
You know what I'm
Johnson,
saying?
Mr. Johnson and Mrs. Johnson, y'all are both here today.
Also, can I please talk to the congregation as a family? Somebody put in a boosted gift card in the collection plate last time. I'm not saying it's the people from Brooklyn, but I am saying Brooklyn is known for scamming.
They are known for that,
Okay.
and it was quite embarrassing for us to go and attempt to purchase things for the church.
All I'm saying is, Thompson family, you live in pink houses. How y'all drive an Escalade? All I'm saying is we're checking the money this time on the
That's
collection
it.
plate.
There's a marker in there. You just swipe it across every $20 bill you see. Please, we are community. We work together. Thank you.
Okay? If your pieces is hitting, please don't come to the
Please
church.
don't come to the church. This is a scammer-free zone. Lord, deliver us from the scammers.
Lord, if you have a TD bank account
Lord,
and you want to turn 100 into 1,000, you
Pray.
stay away from me.
stay away from me.
If you with French Montana's comments with emojis, I don't want to know.
I don't want to know you at all. If you wish that I was here now and you have an unrolling ass sign, please keep that sign rolled up and away from me and keep its evil contained within that scroll.
There's two things I try to avoid.
Yeah.
The devil and residual income.
That is
And you
absolutely
ain't got
correct.
to fuck that up for this boy right here.
That's right.
No.
Hey, no, listen, I'm on a train with Jesus. I'm not trying to get on the money train with you, brother.
No. Fat Joe, I rebuke you.
Oh. Niggas is on the money train.
Listen,
DK.
in 2 years we're gonna be doing we will be doing the wild money scam.
Okay, wait.
We are not.
I
like,
can't wait.
We're going to hurt so many downtrodden brown people. People are gonna trust us. In maybe like 3 months, we're gonna undo all the goodwill we've raised in 5 years.
gonna
Like,
be so
I can't
good,
wait,
man.
Can't fucking wait.
Hey, this is Bodega Boys, and we're here for Money Mutual.
But why my Bodega Boys card don't work? But my paycheck goes directly to my Bodega Boys card. I can't access no money. My baby needs formula.
This is the Bodega Boys bard.
I'm like tweeting. I'm like, my prayers for everyone affected by the Bodega Boys card crisis.
I
Not your prayers, what nigga? I need my money.
I can't eat prayers, nigga.
I'm like, yo, the brand is strong. Sorry that our financial status isn't.
Hey,
You know
listen,
what? We'll be doing Bodega Bucks.
Shortly, so give us a good reason to send y'all some money.
Bodega Bucks, they're off for this month. If you send us a reason, we'll release some of your money to you.
Hey. Oh shit! All the niggas shit.
Russell Simmons is like, yeah, I like your style. Yeah,
fuck with y'all.
that's what I did with the Rust cards.
Yeah, I fuck with the vision.
Now, if you got a Rust card and you ain't get your money, that's what you deserve.
I mean,
Now, if I'm in the grocery store and the person before me swipes a Rust card, I take out a handy wipe and I clean down the credit card receipt
yo,
before
no.
I swipe my
Shit's
card.
been
So I don't
soiled.
want that.
no, it's
You know
been
what I'm saying?
soiled.
No, I'm not turning my credit card receipt. I'm not turning my credit card to a mud shark.
Fuck out of here. Crazy. Yo, matter of fact, speaking of the hood coming up, fucking Amazon Prime is taking ABT now.
EBT.
EBT, yeah.
EBT. I think ABT is.
Must say, does it?
Isn't that like an alarm company or
Oh
something?
shit! ABT, we're home
Yes.
even when you're not. They
You
take
can
ABT
use,
now.
You can use your Square Cash.
Yeah,
On Amazon to buy shit.
yeah,
But you should be able to use EBT. Like EBT is for poor people.
yeah.
Like who
Why are
cares
you trying to
what they
inconvenience
buy?
motherfuckers? Yeah,
Like people think people out here wilding out and G'ing off with EBT. Like no, everyone I know that has EBT. When I see people using EBT, they're buying like potato chips and soda. Like let them have that if that's what they want. Like,
let
what the
niggas
fuck?
have the little joys.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You can only eat carrots. Like nigga, if I could afford carrots, I'd eat carrots.
If I wasn't living in a food desert, you know what I'm saying?
These people don't. These people don't know what they're living in. They don't love their neighbors. They say they're Christian, but are they? Are they?
Are they, brother?
They're not. Do they love their Muslim brothers?
Is this a Christian rap episode?
Sure, why not? Who was the most popping Christian rapper you ever knew? Lecrae?
Lecrae's is Christian rapper?
Oh. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. You guys are talking about modern Christian rap. I'm talking old school Christian rap.
Who's the old school Christian rapper?
Oh, I'm sorry. Does no one here know about DC Talk, the Christian rap and rock trio?
Okay.
No, from 1987.
Okay.
They had a song like they had Jesus Freak in 1995.
Jesus Freak.
No one knows about DC Talk.
Play Jesus Freak.
Oh my God.
Play Jesus Freak.
DC Talk. Jesus.
This is Casey Kasem, and I'm here with DJ Jesus on Washed FM.
That's right. We're just playing all the Christian
talk.
hits. You can't be in a club with hookah for this shit.
Oh, this is 90s. This is 90s or 80s?
1995.
1995? Yeah.
And you hear it and you're like, yo, this shit is lit. This is like some high school rage shit. Other people listen to like Nirvana and shit.
Yeah,
This is like, yo, I hate my family, but you know who I love? Jesus. Look at them. They're a very Benetton looking group.
Oh,
if you know what I'm
shit.
saying. They're diverse. See, it's rap and rock.
Yo! Oh shit, we got the flat top? We got the flat top! What the fuck?
Y'all don't know about DC Talk?
Oh my god. Hopelessness.
All right, no more for free,
I
Randy.
love
If you want to
Jesus.
find out more, go on, open your Bible to Deuteronomy 4:19, and you can download the new DC Talk track. We all listen.
Shout out to
I'm
DJ
sorry,
Talk.
we've been selling out lately.
Okay.
That was an ad. I'm here to announce. DC Talk has been added to Washfest.
Oh man.
DC Talk is coming to Washfest.
So exciting.
We
I couldn't
secured the
contain it. I
bag.
couldn't contain it. I couldn't contain it.
Has the DC Talk vocals come in yet?
Yeah! DC dog. DC vocals come in, yeah!
They also had a song called Jesus is Just Alright.
Oh,
so,
man.
Listen, y'all missing out. If you want hardcore rock with bad rap, DC Talk is the people for you.
Come on.
Look at how the picture froze.
Fucking stinking park over here. Oh.
When they were singing songs, God was like, yo, chill.
Chill.
You making it hot.
Chill, you niggas are wildin', bro.
Yo, Satan's right there. What you
Come
doing?
on, B.
Y'all be here. Yo. Satan's
my
like,
God.
yo, that's your niggas?
That's y'all niggas?
That's you, that's you, big homie. I see you.
What?
Homie coming up, Satan comes over like,
With like
My
Two
man.
Live Crew and shit. Two Live Crew
My
battle,
man.
like.
Oh, I'm just trying to get money like you. My man Pata Pez. Yahweh, how has it been?
What's good, my G?
Oh, shit. Oh, those are new phones. My nigga, you killing it out here.
Yeah, what's up?
Yo,
What's up, Sam, man? What's
I
up?
seen DC Talk. That's your peoples, right?
I mean,
Oh, shit,
you know what I mean?
man.
They out here, they doing their little
God,
thing.
yo, you killing it, my guy.
Hey, you know,
Yo, you the
sorry.
big. I'm just trying to get like you.
Nah, man, you know.
Yo, my man. This is God with DC Talk.
No, it's not. I'm trying to make it a happen.
Yo, all praises be to all praises to the creator, my nigga. Yo, I'm gonna catch you on the other side.
Good looking.
DC
Appreciate
Talk.
you. Good looking.
DC Talk. This
man.
nigga
Appreciate
right
you, bro.
here. This
Thank you,
nigga got
man.
DC Talk. Fuck this nigga. This nigga got some fake stickers and shit.
Nigga Satan, man, pussy,
Nigga.
be fucking watch
This nigga don't say no shit. That's it. You can't bang out that DC Talk. Don't play out in the club.
About to send Jesus at this nigga, yo.
Yo, come on. Let's get somebody to clap at La Marina.
Yeah. Can't wait.
To what? Give someone to clap at La Marina? Nah, this is summer. You gotta give someone an STD this summer.
Yeah, you do.
Heather's listening like, no, you don't.
No, are you fucking kidding
Are
me?
you fucking kidding me?
You fucking asshole.
We need a Heather light. That's the problematic light. She's like, ding, ding, ding.
It's like, you fucking jerk.
Ding, ding, ding. At
like,
least
yeah,
you have
yeah,
someone.
whatever.
At least you have someone in your life that cares.
That's true. Shout out to people. Shout out to people that don't.
I have Charlie though. I have my cat.
You got people that care.
My cat who will let me pet him twice and bite the shit out of me.
He knows. He cares about you.
Oh, Entourage.
Yeah, he loves you.
Yes, that's in the Bible. That's in the Bodega Boys Bible.
You know what I mean?
It's like, yo, that
Yeah,
time I
Entourage.
rode 2 Dutches, but I had 1 Entourage. It was then I carried you.
That's right.
That time you had only $1 and I let you in on the nickel bag.
That's
Then
right.
I called you.
That time you came through with just a Philly and no money. And I had the dub of the lime green.
Remember that? Remember, people forget there was a lot of like hood stories in the Bible when Jesus,
Yeah.
he smoked out the masses.
Yep.
with just a nickel bag and one entourage. He smoked out 50 people.
That's right.
And presented them all with new Timberlands.
True story.
I think that might be in the Bronx Bible. I don't know if it's in the New
Yeah.
World Translation or
Remember?
others ones.
He turned the water
King
to
James
Hennessy and shit.
Yeah.
This shit was lit. It
Shit was lit.
was wild, B.
That shit was weird. Remember he's walking on water in Tim's?
Bro, niggas wasn't ready. And he didn't even spray the waterproof and shit on his shit either.
All the disciples were in the boat, and it was like, "Oh shit,
Yo.
hurricane, yo, Lord,
chill.
if you are real, please calm the waters." And it was just like
Yo.
mad dramatic, and it just heard. Yo, you out there, my niggas? Yo, you in the boat, my niggas? I'm coming through. Jesus Christ. You know what I'm saying? Your Lord and Savior, what's good, nigga?
Yo, what's shaking? What's shaking? Yo,
look
niggas
at,
good?
yo, look at these butter soft Tims.
Yo.
Yo, these shits is fresh out the box.
Look at these shits, my nigga.
Yo, look at these shits. These shits don't want no water. I'm looking Christopher Free. You know what I'm saying? I'm
Stupid
looking
nigga.
wild, wavy, and flaky. You know what it
I
is?
mean, nigga.
Gucci'd up, flossy boy. You know what it is? Yo, shout out to Flybridge.
You know what I mean? We out here squad deep, you know what I mean? Niggas got the Gore-Tex up, you know what I mean?
They was like, my Lord, my
Yeah, you
faith
feel
is
me?
sinking. Please save me, Paul. Paul. He's like, yo, Paul, why you being a bitch, nigga? Jesus grabbed him, got the do-rag flapping and shit. Yo, stand up straight, my nigga. I got y'all.
Yo.
I got y'all. Come on, we going to Sin City.
We out.
We out.
Fuck that.
Yo,
You got your hookah?
You got your hookah? Yo, you got the hookah code? They're like, Jesus, we have 5 hookahs, but only 2 hookah codes. He was like, why do you not believe? He was like, da 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 da. He opened up the
Oh,
2 fucking hookah
shit.
shits.
Yo, man, hookah calls.
Man, hookahs, now I believe.
Yo, nah.
You know what's fucked up?
believe.
All the disciples were banging with Jesus, and then as soon as he got locked up, niggas was like, yo, I don't know him. I don't know him.
I don't know. I don't got his info. Niggas ain't
Remember
giving me his info.
Who was it? Paul or somebody betrayed him 3 times. He was like, nah.
He said,
I don't
you
know
will
him.
betray me. He's like,
I don't
nah.
know
He's like, nah.
nigga.
He's like, nah.
Nigga, you know it's gang.
You already know I'm a Lord nigga, man.
Nigga, you see the
fuck
shit?
outta
You see
here,
the
man.
disciple gang on my
Come
neck?
on, my nigga. You already
Come
see
on,
what it
you know
is,
what
bro. We niggas got the shit tatted,
Yo,
B.
blooded. This ain't no game. Blood in,
Nah,
blood
bro.
out, bro. Till the sun come out the sky.
Come on, my nigga. This ain't
First, as soon as Jesus got knocked, he was like,
Oh,
yo, who?
man. Who?
Jesus Christ.
I don't know that nigga, man.
Who? I don't even know who that
Listen,
is.
all I know is that nigga might have had something going on the Ave. I don't
That
know.
nigga with the wet and wavy weave.
Yeah, I
that
don't
was
know.
wearing the sandals. He be hanging with them other niggas. I don't really myself personally. I just be staying in Jerusalem. To be quite honest,
That's my
I don't
hood.
really.
I don't really over there.
I just stay to myself. You know what I'm saying?
I really bang with them Nazareth niggas, man. They be wildin'.
I'm just trying to learn Aramaic.
That's
you know what
all.
I mean? I heard some wild story that his mother had him in a manger or some shit. So
feel
I
me?
always found that was kind of suspect. So
You
that's
feel me?
cool. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't want to answer no more questions, officer. So if you are we done? Am I under arrest or am I free to go?
Well, asshole, I'm gonna ask you one more fucking time. How the fuck did Mary get pregnant and not get fucking fucked? Huh? Huh?
Listen,
You gonna fucking answer that question, you ball bag, and you're not gonna tell me what Jesus is either? I'm gonna smack the shit out of you. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Wash my feet. Wash my fucking feet.
Nah, I swear to you, it was the 3 wise men.
Wash my fucking feet.
It was the 3 wise men.
Wash my
It was
fucking
Quavo
feet.
Takeoff and Offset. They came from Nazareth.
Yeah,
Ow.
oh, you're a fucking wise
They
guy too,
followed the
huh?
star.
Huh?
Ow.
Huh? Huh?
Ow.
Fucking
Ow.
asshole.
No, God knocked
Huh?
up.
Huh?
Ow.
And you fucking turned over the tables at the church, you jerk.
Hey, whoa. They were selling pictures of the coin changers. Come on. Shout out to NYPD being in Bethlehem. Yo, the year
Squad deep.
49 AD. The special prosecutors.
Whoa.
Oh my God. It's 49 AD. Listen, let me tell you something right now. In the criminal justice system, the people are represented by 2 separate yet equally important groups. There's the Donkey Patrol, and then there's us, Law and Order Bethlehem.
That's right.
This is us and Sandals like, nah. Yeah, someone murdered this camel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This camel's dead.
Yeah.
It's Lazarus' camel.
Oh,
but
wow.
Lazarus was murdered 2 days ago.
You know what? I know a guy uptown. His name is Pontius Pilate. Let's talk to him.
Let's go talk to him.
But it said like 5 days later.
Niggas pull up like, man, fucking man full of soot and shit. Like,
Can't believe we had to travel the whole way to see Galilee. All right. We showed the picture. We're like, yo, you know, there's a mad text like, you know what this is?
Like,
You know this camel? Play it straight with me. I swear to you. I'll put you right in the lion's
hey, you got anything in your robe? Anything sharp that's gonna stick me?
Tick me, huh? Yo, whoa. Put the spear down, my guy. All right? Anoint my wounds with some olive oil before I enter your temple.
Yeah. We out here doing the wild Bible stories. Yo, we about to be lit with the fucking Bible.
You know
Yo,
what's funny? We know the Bible, but we don't live by it, so fuck it.
Let's do the hip hop Bible.
Hip hop Bible?
Bronx Bible for you clown cakes.
But I don't feel like anyone popping would help us with our hip hop Bible. It would just be like wash niggas.
Kirk Franklin.
Kirk Franklin, Special Ed, and shit like that. Like, you know,
Special Ed is a Christian rapper now? He's
No,
saved?
but I mean, like, that's the kind of rapper we get. Like, if I went to Quavo, like, Quavo, could you, like, read the book of fucking, I don't know, Psalms 24 and shit? Like, he's not gonna
Psalms
do that shit.
24.
Psalms 24. Psalms 24.
Ecclesiastes.
Ecclesiastes.
Call me Quavo Ecclesiastes.
I'd be like, when I'm in the booth, I'm like, yo, Quavo, could you read Luke 24:44? He's like, he said to them. He said to them. This is what I told you. This is what I told you what I owed you.
Mama.
Everything must be fulfilled.
Phil.
That is written by law. Moses and prophets and Psalms. Psalms and Moses and prophets and prophets. And Moses. And them. And this is I told you to them. Laws and Moses. And prophets. And Moses. And Psalms. Luke 24:44. Luke 24:24. Mama. You know what? Actually, we gotta get that Bible going. We're gonna make some more money.
Come on, let's get.
Listen, we're gonna make some money off religion somehow.
Oh man, we're gonna get.
You're Spanish, I'm Jamaican. That's two of the most gullible communities.
Religious people.
We gotta get all the money from them.
You know what I knew what time it was when I used to watch fucking this shit, this news with my fucking grandma, and they had a whole ass commercial in the middle of the fucking day, not even infomercial time, like 4 a.m., middle of the day prime time, for a fucking vial of holy water.
Yeah.
And the fucking rock, a rock that has like Jesus rays for like $15. And motherfuckers was copping a $15 rock and a $20 vial of water. I was like, yo, you niggas are gullible.
Shout out to Bodega Jav. You're gonna be sick when we're selling you're selling your Aunt TT a chain with our foreskin around it for $1,500. And we're like, yo, it's magic and making miracles come true.
That's right.
She's like, I need my marrow skin.
I got mad folks gonna go around.
They're making mirror foreskin candles and shit. I'll be like, yo, you gonna pray? Could you pray for me? Could you light a foreskin candle for me?
Please light one for me.
My mother's very sick.
Please.
The candle is shaped like your dick. It's got like the wick coming out the foreskin and shit. As it melts, the foreskin just comes down and shit. Oh shit.
Shit.
Listen, that merch will be available on bodegasushi.com coming up
get it.
soon.
Oh shit.
Yo, shit, he's back in the
To
building.
Moe's.
Victor's back,
Gotta
and
go
Victor's
to
back. That
Moe's,
means we
yeah.
are at the end of episode 67.
right.
677. Sorry. Yo,
You just
as
caught the
always,
soccer ball?
Well, y'all met Jerome Boateng today.
Yeah, I was about
Hey.
to say. I was like, yo, he's
This nigga would do mad soccer shit. Mad foot. He about to do mad footy.
Footy.
Yo, as always. Pardon. Yo, in the building, it's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Jesus Vice,
That's
Jeff
right.
Chipotle, Pocket Safe, Fat Material, Chris Pro Singer, Eli Lippy, Butchers Butchers Brothers, Slow Banana Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nanos Orlando, 100% of Veta Quadro, Mikhail going off the Juve Boss, MC the Kukunga P, putting up for 40 with Shorty, aka Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Pool.
I have no idea who you are, bro.
The original, my +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. Just let us in, man. Listen, we out here. Victor's
on,
here.
dog.
I got the hose out
You
here.
know who it
Come on.
is. You
Like, people are
recognize, like,
staring.
25K
You're gonna lose your job. Just
magic.
let me in. I
Come
have
on.
the number one show at late night.
Yeah,
Come
you're
on.
at the on page 6.
Yeah, this kind of, no, I'll punch you in the face. I'll call Jesse Williams right now, motherfucker. Jesus Rossi, Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa. Yo, Simba, before you die, fuck a gazelle. Please, don't wear a condom. AK Chilimo, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Can't look. Remember the time it was me, Naomi Campbell, and Madonna,
papi.
and we was in the thing,
and I
it
was
got
roja,
weird.
right?
And then we were
Yeah.
fucking Madonna, but then I got weird because my dick touched Big Daddy Kane,
Oh,
and I got soft because I know I'd be a bandejo.
And he said it ain't no half stepping.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240 because I like my Pinot Blurry. Yeah. Blurry Pinot? You were talking Blurry Pinot?
It was Blurry Pinot.
Everyone listening, go find the scene where Cherokee does the split on that guy's dick.
Oh no!
Yeah.
In the,
DJ
in the,
Woodlight.
in the blue?
In the blue. DJ Woodlight, aka listening to Watch FM. We got Mac the Maniac. It's the Curry Goat. DJ Spicer. Jamal Hashburn. The Bronx Celine Dion. Ray and nephew. The Moreno. You can't contain other human. Meme word Ja. Young Aaron. The racist provocateur. Henrik Budquist. Nelson Mandela. Sergio. You can't see me. Vladimir Buffin. The human Werther's melting in your mouth. The black Asiatic addict who crack your back like automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina. National Marino. With a freshman demeanor and a cold demeanor. AKA your problematic babe. I'm in your house. I got a key to your house. I'm setting up a recording studio in the bathroom. I'm sorry, Ma. I'm quitting my job. I'm being a SoundCloud rapper.
It's lit.
I'm paying you a dick.
Triple X out of the Triple X Totino rolls. Yo, fucker, you know who it is, man. Episode 67. It's your boy, the human Durag Flap, the Kid Mero, aka Curve Gotti, aka Tris Khalifa, Skirt Loader. You know what I'm saying? I know fucking baby, I fucking mang. And yo, listen, when I pull the fuck up, check the guest list again, nigga. Do not try to embarrass me in front of these people. I'm not stepping to the fucking side while you do it. Go call your fucking boss, nigga. I know him. Because it's the fucking dad of the year, a.k.a. Big Smack Biombo, Field Ass Tyson, the Dominican Don Dada. You know what I'm saying? Ben Balson, my hands are gifted. I will replace your brainstem and replace it with a wet Huggies diaper, and you will learn to do calculus in Chinese. Holla at your boy. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, you know what I'm saying? So please replace the Klonopins, you know what I'm saying? Put them somewhere safe, you know what I mean? Frying out messy, light it, you know what I'm saying? The Zen Man! AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Tom Bracey, your girl got my balls deflated. We're on the investigation, fam.
Yo, as always.
You know what I'm saying? Baby, no blend, light it now, Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? Swipe my card again, nigga. There's definitely money on it. I know because I got direct deposit. I just set the papers up. Victor made it sure shit went through. You know what I'm saying? Need your brownie stream, my Stevie B, the plantain stupid over in the sky. The first nigga to drop 62 grams at the Garden.
What's his name?
Marmelo's Anthony.
From 40.
You know what I'm saying? If you see me at Target, nigga, respect my agency, fam.
Approach like what?
Approach like a fucking Ursine mammal. Do not ask me about the Uncrustables. Yes, they are for me. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Pa' toda mi gente en el patio. Llegó el hijo de Titi FIFA, loco. Más malo que ropa de Old Navy. Más rico con Ike malito. Y más fuerte que 5 Omega, loco. Prende la juca que llegué. We out here, nigga. Holla.
Holla. As always, be sure to check us out on Vice and Monday through Thursday. Diesel Zamero. Number one show late night. Check it out. You can also check us out. We were on Seth Meyers last night. We bodied that shit.
You know what I mean?
And always shout out to Red Bull, the sponsor. We love you. Crystal Clarity. Shout out to SquareCast.
You know
We're
what I
still doing Bodega Bucks all weekend.
You know what I mean?
All month, actually. Be sure to tweet at the Bodega Sushi Twitter account or our individual accounts.
You know what I mean?
Nice and the Kid Mero's account.
Holla.
Be sure to include your cash tag, what you need cash for, and maybe we will be benevolent and bless you little niggas.
Maybe.
You know what I'm saying?
Give me a
Change your
good
life.
story.
You know what I'm saying? Drop a bag on your head.
Keep it funky.
You know what I'm saying? Maybe we could get you some money so your girl get the implants and
You
shit.
know what I mean?
So she's not on Instagram doing that push-up bra bullshit.
Nah,
'Cause
get
that
outta
shit-
here.
Like, a guy came up with that. A guy came up with that as a way to get women to take videos with their titties.
Of
Because that
course.
shit does not change anything. Shout out to you. You are a legend. We dedicate this episode to you.
Shout out to
We
you, my
out!
God. Holla.